How are we going, guys? Welcome, welcome. Let me join our server. 3 people on, PXX, Tom, and Vortex. Let's see the progression. Apparently, we're close to UMV, so I'm kind of hyped. Let's take a look. I think some work has been done. I know there's some setups that have been made. Things in order. I just finished work, so I am ready to Greg. PXX is there. Okay. For some reason, all of my settings got reset. I don't know why. Yeah, everything got reset. I don't know if I accidentally pressed reset or something, but it's kind of annoying because all my keybinds are changed now. So yeah, I mean, that works now. Okay. It looks like we have more solidifiers. I think we got proxies, so I think Tom started setting up more proxies. Let's change this FOV to 90. That's what I like. Yeah, I don't know what happened to all my settings, but it just got reset randomly. Okay, it looks like we're building up presses. That's nice to see. I like these arrays. They're starting to come together. Let me open chat. I haven't even seen chat yet. Yo, Tangerine, welcome. What do I do for work? I am a flow assurance engineer. So I do like simulations for underground pipelines. And I do a lot of machine learning and like corrosion control stuff as well. A lot of that sort of stuff. But it's consulting. So I work for a consulting company. But I'm planning to switch jobs, hopefully, at some point soon. Because I don't want to be stuck in consulting. I want to work on site. Okay, let's try to load up the base. It looks like, okay, we got two more coals. What is this? Okay, this is our AALs. We got a lot more AALs. I think these ones are probably dedicated to circuits or something. I'm not sure. We have a lot of random AAL arrays. Our bio, it got scaled. It got scaled a bit. I know I have to work on some infinity bees, so I'm going to do that first. I'm just looking around the base again. Our biobats are scaled pretty far. They're all on. It's very satisfying. Look at all the crystal. Yeah, I was going to show you guys this. All of this is crystal chips. we have 8 autoclaves dedicated just to crystal chips. It's so funny. We have a lot of ICOs. This is our wood line. It's very nice. Very nice. What else can I show you guys? It's been a lot that's happened. I ended up fixing waterline. Yeah. I think what we had to do was on these outputs in this target, I think we had to select all the size or something like this. I ended up fixing it myself by placing another inventory. I just placed it on these hatches outside here. And then I assigned all of the options to that. But then Vortex came and fixed it somehow. I don't know why this is off. Any reason for Tier 8 waterline being off? Let's ask. I'll check if there's like infinity or something. I don't know. Where's the hatch? We have infinity. See Vortex, because Vortex made the line. Not sure. Noticed it. Okay, I'll keep looking around. We have Narcule up, so Soycake ended up making a scalable LNR setup. So we have a lot of butterflies for some reason. We have 120 billion EU per tick of power right now. Got all these coils. We got all these engravers. We had a lot more than this. I think we might have upgraded the recipe, but I'm not too sure. But we had like 4 rows of this. What else? Down here, we got 2 sets of 4 quad mega EBFs. We have a bunch of fusions. We've been scaling Mark IV fusions because Mark V is so expensive. We are planning to craft another one very soon. We're scaling these Mark IVs to make the Mark V craft quicker because it's a very, very, very big craft. And yeah, we don't want it to be slow because it will slow us down a lot. These are making all the plasma, or whatever they're called, the catalysts for the DTPFs. We started building up a lot of DTPFs. We have an 8 octo here. We have an Eternal almost here, which I'm very surprised about. I did not know we had Eternal already. Oh my, we're actually really close to UMV. We are very close to UMV, a lot closer than I thought. But yeah, we got 10, 11 DTPFs already. And we have the black hole compressor. I'm not sure if anyone's automated this just yet. Let's check it out. No one's automated just yet, unless someone's SFMing it. I think they might have manually fed it. It is powered. They might have manually done it. I have a suspicion that's what they did. I feel like Vortex is going to want to automate this with his SFM stuff. Anyways, it looks like a lot of our mixers are gone. We got the Transcendent Plasma mixer, so yeah, that's probably why. And okay, yeah, 16 ABSs, a lot of bending machines, or forming presses or whatever they are. Yeah, I think that's the whole base. I think I'll go do the Infinity Bees real quick. And if you have any questions, just ask in the chat. I'm happy to answer it. I haven't been on the whole day, so I don't know exactly everything that's happened, but yeah. Are there any major mistakes during this? There's been one mistake. Hang on. Is this the Swarmer? I just need to double check something. I'm assuming this is a Swarmer Mapiary. Swarmer, yeah. I'm gonna see where's the input. We had one big mistake, and it was with Tom. Tom, I think 2 streams ago, Tom Tom got pretty mad because we were waiting on Shadow Iron for another DTPF controller, and he already crafted a second one 5 hours prior. But someone set up this bus here, this chest here, and not exposed it to mainnet. So all these crafts that go in here, no one else knows that they're crafted. So we had a DTPF controller crafted for 5 hours before we could build our second one. And Tom did not know that, so we just wasted 5 hours of time, which is kind of rough. Okay, let's figure out where this is. I think that's our biggest mistake so far. Okay, where is there an input bus? Where are the buses? Sorry. Oh, they're up here. Okay. Oh, they're going directly into mainnet. All right. Let's get an Infinity Princess. I think there's an Infinity. Yeah, we got 24 in there. Okay. Let's just turn it off. I don't think we need to change this. We just have to grab one of these guys. And then we can put this guy in. Like that. And this should start producing some Infinity Princesses. I don't know how many we need, but we only got 1,000 combs. Where is this going? Let's go check. I don't know if Soy actually automated this or not, but we'll see. Oh, he did automate it. Oh, nice. He actually did automate it. Oh. Good job, Soy. That's actually really good. I'm glad you did that. It makes it really easy. You love that the mod pack goes from haha you found minesweeper minigame dungeon to creative flat build server. But okay, well this happens only in speedruns really. Okay, let's hopefully this is enough. I don't know how many we should add. I guess it doesn't matter how many we add. We can add as many as we want. Oh, I fuck. Okay, I thought I cleared something bad. Wow, I love soy. Soy is so delicious. No one but soy would set this up. Or maybe me. Okay, let's keep grabbing these guys. How many queens y'all want, Tom? Okay, okay. We'll put like 100. Okay, I'll do 100. Because the Mapiary can get laggy because it simulates every bee individually. So we don't want to put too many bees in our Mapiary, but Infinity is one of those bees that we're going to want quite a few of. No. Dun, 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 76. Yeah, hopefully this will be enough. We'll see. Soycake said that the Maybe becomes really TBS heavy over 2000. Yeah. You're speaking to the person that put 40,000 beers in his Mapiary and bricked his 10 gates, 10 Stargate bays. Okay, we got 90. Always 100. Tottenham said UIV coal to Dyson spam to more mixer power. Okay, sounds good. I'll join his coal in a second. I'll just get these done. I think that's enough Infinity Queens. There's 1,500 in here. Jeez. Yeah, I think 100's enough for now. We'll stop the Swarmer. I feel like that's going to be enough. Infinity Comb, let's see if it goes up and doesn't get used instantly. So we're doing 62 per second. And how many are we using in a DTPF? So let's go look. Let's go look. Okay, I don't know if this is producing infinity. What is this? Lag. So this is doing 5,800 per second. Ah, that's using a lot of combs, isn't it? Oh, not really, actually. I don't know what recipe we're doing, but I guess not. Let's see if the combs are building up. Oh, they're not. Isn't the comb recipe super slow? It should be fast, right? We're only dedicating... There's only one DTPF on it, I think. Oh, nice. We got space time going. Yeah, well, that one's not on, obviously. Why is just that one DTPF producing? Okay. There's combs building up. Okay, it looks like it's positive. I mean, we did 5 times it, so surely that's enough. Based on your current pace, how long do you get Stargate? Oh, who changed their nickname to that? I estimate 35 days. That's my estimate still. We don't know yet. I mean, we've almost got eternal coils, which is kind of nuts. Okay, let's look at UIV coal. UIV. Oh, we've already got the parts. Okay, it's crafting. Wait, why do we have this setup? What is this for? What is this for? Probably some passive setup. What else did Tom say? Okay, UIV coal to Dyson. Okay, I might just join the call and ask. Let me check I'm going to reset my Discord inputs. Bear with me 1 second. And then I'll join just to make sure it's all good. Discord, there we go. Will the server endure the expansion till then? The server's fine. I am based in Australia, so my ping is very high. I think the TPS is still, or the MSPT is still at like 20, 30 with 4 people on, which is still really good. Okay, let's join the call. Where are we?
Not stonks.
Yeah, we need a bigger capacitor for that.
Hello.
I'm doing that. Like now, half an hour to buffer it up, and then I'm going to start draining it with the eternal DPF. We no longer need as much catalyst for infinity. I need more infinity. I'm going to use the infinity recipe that uses 64 times less combs too.
Nice. I upgraded.
I'm going to passive it. Yeah.
Okay. Is someone patterning the QFT?
I can do that if you
No.
want.
Yeah, I mean, I'm asking because I was just looking at it, and there's one recipe left for ABS. I can do that.
Okay. Oh, good.
And it's done.
Oh, congrats. QFT.
Also, we have a line that does practically nothing.
Which one?
CBD probably. I don't know.
Okay. Well, some of this is used for Prisline, and we have to work out what is used for.
So, how many QFTs do you want? Like one
Yes.
universal?
One for every
One
recipe
each.
at least.
One each, yeah.
Yeah.
What do you mean universal? It's a myth. Forget about it.
I'm
Don't. Please don't.
Not universal.
I mean, toggle buses can do
No.
it. Toggle buses can do it. You just have to do a lot of redstone on the tanks to stock them.
I don't know if you can do that maybe because you have the insert the catalyst inside the buses. And it doesn't go in a bus.
We have done it.
You can teleport the bus.
I think they changed it.
You can teleport.
They changed it.
I mean, it's possible.
They
but
changed it?
don't.
No, I don't.
Okay, if you teleport buses, then it's okay. Otherwise, you need a special catalyst input bus now.
Wait, technically, if we laser it like a fuck ton, surely it's alright.
Catalyst housing. Yeah.
Like if we could set it up fast enough. I saw the UIV code.
But it used to work.
Nice. Very nice. And the eternal coils. That's crazy. I didn't realize how fast we get those.
Yeah, but I'm really pushing everything to the minimum. If I get something wrong a little bit, we are stuck. I mean, we are not stuck, but...
Okay, what do you need me to do?
No, we are not stuck, but...
Master.
Like, I'm calculating everything, more or less. Like, right now, we are almost out of energy, probably. I'm trying to push space-time as much as possible. Like, first...
we have a lot of
before we start using space-time for UMV parts, we should get at least minimum 4 eternal DTPFs. But I also want like 20 Dyson spheres at the same time.
Yeah, I think we should get some more Dysons if we're running low about.
I'm making UAV component. I'm making UAV components so we can spam Dyson. After 4 Dysons, it's going to pay back itself. Also, UAV coal is too slow. UAV will be faster.
Is there anything that's slow when you craft a Dyson? Can we buff anything for it?
The slowest is Pico circuits, but we have some of those.
Okay.
Looking at the UAV crafting,
I asked for confirmation, and yes, we can make universal QFT. It can be done.
Okay.
Why does LSC write that?
I mean, it could be worth if we make one QFT and just laser it. I mean, it could be worth it. But I don't know what other recipes would work.
I mean, the early tiers I think are fast enough. We could make universal for tier 1. I mean, maybe the.
Why do you need to make it? Like, just do it the normal way as
you don't understand that. I'm going to make 2 QFTs for every recipe, not one for everything. I'm going to make last run I had 4 QFTs for the Shirabon Eternity recipe. Only.
Wait a second. I have to get a meme. I have to get a meme because like I cannot with this guy.
Alright, what can I spam? Should I spam more cows? Yes, okay, got it. Okay, guys. They didn't give me a job, so I'm gonna spam more cows. We're gonna need more optical cows anyway. How close are we to Eternal? Very close. Very close. Why more QFTs per recipe when there are catalysts for parallel? Why more QFTs per recipe when they... I don't know. Ask Tom.
Why? Why?
What did you send?
Again.
Oh. Still, I love that power graph. I don't even have the power goggles.
I just had to.
Unused power is wasted power.
Oh,
that's true.
Now we have a funny graph. Now we
have a 0.01. It's no longer 0.00.
Yeah. But
okay,
like,
now we have a good graph. Look at it. Look at the graph now. Look, thanks to me now the graph really points up compared to earlier. Earlier it was a flat graph. Now it's a nice pointing up graph.
I use power goggles. Let me try put them on. I've never used power
insane
goggles.
walk. How to improve graphs by like.
Why are you crafting 4 QFTs? Can you not use infinity like that right now, please?
Craft one and
I'm
we'll
almost done with. We need the gosh. What are you going to do with those 4 controllers? Tell me, please. Tell me what you are going to do with those 4 controllers now that you used the infinity. That was.
That wasn't me.
Rage baiting Tom.
No yeah, way. Rage baiting, but then we get stuck.
Okay, where's the freaking LSC?
I don't know if we are speed running or just wasting time.
Slow walking.
Can't believe what we have. We have 16 last eternal coils crafting.
No, it's not. We need a little bit more.
Why didn't you order 2112? You know it.
Because if you do those like that, what happens is first the wiring will do all of the wires. Then the last space time goes into making screws, and then you have to wait 1 hour for the assembly line to finish all of the coils. If you do it all at once like that.
So you just built not enough. So it can't make it in any way.
No, we almost did it. I'm trying to get everything aligned perfectly so that we can make space-time at maximum speed at low cost. But I don't...
Also, did you know that you can use expressions in A2 ordering?
Yeah.
Oh.
Uninteresting.
How do you get the graph for the
it was
power
at 200. Yeah, now we don't have any left.
Yeah, let's chat. Chat, how do you get the graph for the power goggles? I know they have a graph somehow. There's a keybind for the graph? Okay. I've never used these before. Oh, okay. Let's do P maybe? I don't know what's about to die. Fuck. Too many bindings, guys. Oh, okay, I see. Okay. We want E partic. Where do we want it? Is that a good spot? I mean, do we need the mini map? We'll put it down here, I guess. Also, if you bound it to an LSC, wait, how do you bind it to wireless? How do you bind it to wireless? I don't want to click that. Just leave it unbound. Okay. I swear it didn't work. That has to be our wireless net. Oh, Kyouki's in cool. I don't know what they're talking about. Okay, we're gonna go and add some cows. I think we're waiting on Eternal with DTBF, so I'm gonna try and buff some infra that will help out with the Dysons. I know probably Pico circuits are gonna be the biggest weight. And it's probably gonna be assembly line time. Pico circuit. We need nano ones, which require biowares. So maybe we make a couple more bio cows as well. That could be a good shout because nano ones require it. I'd be down to do a universal QFT, to be honest. I think it'd be fun. Just to kill some time while we wait. And it would actually be helpful. Because we can take it down later. I feel like we should do a couple more biowares. Bioware assemblies and normal bioware circuits. Okay, I'm going to do that. We're going to get a couple more of these imprints. I'm going to do like 100 of each maybe. Because these are really, really easy to spam now. And then we'll get circuit. That's my cable's in the way. Circuit assembly line. Sorry guys, you're going to watch me build cows for like the 100th time. Surely that's enough, right? 400 cows. Ask the Italian how Ferrari will do this yet. Maybe later, maybe later. Okay, let me copy this. Oh, we probably want to get some wires. Let's set mode to cables. Shit. And we'll cable this all the way up to there. We'll cable this all the way up to here. Set mode, copying. And then we'll do a copy. Let's put it. What recipes with the bios? The nano circuit. Control C. And we'll just Control C this. Yeah, that's probably good. And we'll go Control V. And then hopefully we can just copy it right there. We'll go up one. Oh yeah, you guys should teach me how stack works. We need some optical imprints, that's fine. We probably got a lot of slice circuits here, yeah. Okay. We need some prasiolite. Oh, we have tons of it. It's only using legacy gates. What rescue was I looking at? Ah, fuck me, dude. I'm looking at the wrong circuit. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. Yeah, let's spam the fuck out of opticals. I was wondering, like, why do we need bios? I was like, okay. All right, we all make mistakes. We all make mistakes. Imprinting circuit board. With cribs and proxies, bio setup should be much faster. I mean, you can't use cribs in cows. So it doesn't make a difference for these machines, but for our other arrays, it will be good, yeah. Hopefully these, I don't know how fast these are. It should be pretty quick. What machine is this in? The forming press? We should have a pretty fast array for this. I think it might be in a universal. Yeah. What's this one in? Autoclave. And we got a pretty good autoclave recipe as well. We're going to need a lot of imprints. A lot of imprints. Okay, let's get some reinforced glass. Let's just like do 100,000 or something. We'll get some stainless steel. No, we need some steel casings. Oh, we have tons. We need some assembly casings. We have tons. Okay, should be good. And then we're just waiting on this. I'm pretty sure Tom changed the recipe to, yeah. Yeah, AverageGregtechPlayer, how are we going? Space elevators will end up being the bottleneck. Yeah, that's true, actually. How many space elevators? I think we unlocked Mark II space assemblers. I'm not sure how many we have dedicated. So that's all mining. That's all pumps. It's all mining. Okay, we have a whole SE. I think they're all Mark II. Or they're Mark I. Yeah, we can upgrade these to Mark II, which is probably worth it. Yeah, okay, we started doing Mark II ones. I wonder how many we can afford. Yeah, I think this should be okay. I mean, I'll request 6 more. How expensive are they? We'll try to fill this guy up. They're honestly not too bad. They're just a couple UEV parts. Yeah, they're not too bad. Let's just do it. Okay, well, let's just do this. Sounds good. Okay, let's check if our reinforced glass is done. Oh my god. What is clogging this up? What is clogging it up? I think it's got to be one of these, right? Bender? Extruder? Ah, HSS plates. How slow is our benders? Do we need to buff those? Honestly, I can't find anything in this base. There's just so much shit everywhere. It's not good. Not good at all. I think it's this way. All our arrays are this way. Is our bending array just slow? Okay, this is our bending array. Is anything stuck? Oh, they're looking at it. There might be something stuck. Now there's 4 players, yeah.
And now
What's
the
happened to the
semi-line is going to
benders?
get clogged by
What's happened to the benders?
missing channel. Someone had an interface and there was a missing channel.
Oh no. Oh, I see that. Yeah, there's not. Okay. I was wondering why my crafts were so slow.
And I'm going to slowly stop my mixing setup now. 1, 2, 3. That recovers 10 millions too.
Perfect.
of each plasma. Did you get more infinity base?
Yeah, there's 100 in there.
I may remove the Awoken Draconian TPF soon too.
Do you need more? How many combs do we got? Oh, okay, it's still negative. Okay, I'll add some more bees, I think.
We have the wait. Am I using?
Do you happen to know how many
circuitry
combs per
is-
second you're using?
No, but soon I'm going to use a 64 times less because soon I will
Okay.
switch to the recipe that makes. Yeah, as soon as I finish the Eternal Call DTPF, I'm going to change all of the recipes, and then I'm
Okay.
going to focus on power to get more DTPFs.
I'll still
I
add
really
like
want to
100
push
more
really
anyway.
hard this one.
Okay, sounds good. Because I think we want as much infinity as we can get right now.
Oh, do you really need the space assembler right now?
You can cancel if you want.
Okay, no, it's okay. You can leave it. You can leave it.
I just wanted to scale opticals a bit more.
Okay, you can leave it. You can leave it. I need the coils to be done before it, but coils are taking priority. Maybe I need like 20 more coils, I'm not sure.
Also, we have all
Zero
space assemblers.
hypogen. Almost.
All space assemblers are using MK1. We don't have any MK2.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, switch to the other one.
So we should use
We have
MK3 or MK4 motors if we can.
Yeah, we have 6 MK2s at the moment. I'm adding another 6 to fill it. But yeah, we should definitely upgrade the motors to... Is Mark 3 motors cheap
Oh wait,
enough?
we do. Okay, we do have MK2, but for some reason it's not a separate subnetwork, but instead it's just what?
Yeah, I haven't looked at it. I'll fix it up once these craft. Dun, dun, dun. How many... Let me look at the Dyson craft. How many circuits are crafted?
$9,000 space time left.
Let's go.
If you ordered
How long is that?
if you ordered the right amount of coils.
I don't know, but there are other issues with it. We can... I have to slow down space-time production now.
Okay, that's all good.
As soon as I get those coils, I can reset everything to get better stuff.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
We are out of hypogen basically, so I stopped the hypogen production because I thought we had enough, but way too low.
Time to smelt coils into ingots.
We have some hypogen dense plates and ingots. I wanted to melt those, but we had to upgrade the fluid extractor, so I went back into checking not to have my DTPS shut off. If you can melt that, it will be cool. We can solidify it again later soon.
Yeah, that's true.
That's
an
some
investment.
insane
It's
setups.
an investment.
Where else can you see this gameplay?
Okay, hypogen now goes up, I think. But, oh no, maybe down. No, we have, okay, no, it's going down, hypogen, but way slower. Almost balanced. Okay, now we
1000
need
space time
opticals
left.
for eternal coils.
Yeah. And our
That
bulk
missing-
production is 16 amps UEV each. We can afford so much more. So we can actually use it. And not just like 13
fusion
seconds per
reactor.
bio via mainframe. What is that? And it's advanced assembly line.
How many? Okay. After eternal coils, are the cows UAV yet? I'll upgrade cows to UAV once those are done. No, the UAV still.
After eternal DTPF, we'll get UIV component assembly line.
Three more eternal DTPFs. Oh yeah, UAV 4. Yeah, go ahead. Sorry, Vortex. Go ahead.
UIV call. I mean, it doesn't. How to say that? Like, there's no problem in doing those simultaneously. They don't use
Yeah.
space time.
Yeah, exactly. The only objective is getting spacetime with this one, so I can repurpose all of the old DTPFs, and then we can do UAV call followed by Dyson
Yeah,
spam, and you
yeah,
can do the
when
other
we
things
get
at the same
UAV,
time.
yeah, when we get UAV call, we can make. We should upgrade bulk production to not UEV 16 amp, but at UIV probably even 200 amps, because it's really slow. And increase the amount of assemblers as well. I mean assembly lines. We have only, how much? 40? Yeah, there's 40 assembly lines on bulk production. That creates basically all our circuits.
Oh gosh, what I just found.
What do you find?
A lot of resplendent.
Oh, in the things. Yeah,
Ah,
Yeah,
3 million
yeah, I
to
know what you're talking about.
for
400k,
80
5
millions.
million.
Oh my,
80 millions.
that's pretty good.
It's not much, but it's something.
It's kinda a lot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No,
Okay,
Why are
wait.
opticals not crafting? Come on.
bulk production
Assembly
is
lines
easy.
Make more assembly lines for opticals if you can too.
Okay,
I just
whereas
said that we should, once we increase, once we get eternal DPF and UAV call, we can increase the amount of parallel, not parallel, the amount of energy from 16 amp UEV to about 200 UIV. So we can
But
actually
no,
use those.
it's an idea. But I was thinking with Kyouki this morning, it's probably better to skip to UMV so we can also do Pico in the same setup.
Yeah, I also thought about that. Technically, we can already, like once we get eternal DPFs, we can work on that, but
No, it's not
it's
worth
not
it.
worth it. Yeah,
It's not
because
worth
we
it
have
because
to
then
do
we
it
have to
eternal
FK to
DPF.
get more space time.
Yeah,
We
that
need a
is
good
exactly why.
production.
But then we have a slow circuit production.
And that's why you make more of the previous tier since it's still good enough. We only need more of it. And later on it will be upgraded to a lot more of faster tier.
yeah,
Like unless there is a recipe, like spacetime here is an exception because it uses 10 times less infinity if done this way. Everything else, it's better to stick with older recipes.
UEV call.
It doesn't do UAV parts. It doesn't help with Dysons. That's the issue.
thank you, head trick. Thank you, 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 thank you. Ever tried stack mode? No, I haven't, but I'm willing to try it. Really great machine casing. Kind of just having fun, fun manipulating all of these. I think we'll upgrade the UIV soon. Surely, where's world height? I just want to get to world height on one of the arrays. Just doing a wall of cows. Come on, gratings. Where are ya? They're crafting. What are they crafting? An assembler. It's like, yeah, we definitely need more AOs. I think I'll go out try to understand how the setup works, and then we can try and make some more AOs as well. What's world height? What is world height? Surely we're close to world height. Surely we're close to world height. How does stack mode work? Can I just do this? Go transform. And then can I stack it here? Is this how it works? So go +1. Oh. Ah. Ah. Oh. 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 Okay. I think I figured it out, guys. I was at. I think I was at world height. I think I'm at world height, guys. Yeah, we're at world height. Okay. Well, we know that for next time. That's very cool. I didn't know that. I guess now we can link all these up and turn them on. And we're all good to go. That's how easy it is to build more cows. Okay, and then I think we'll figure out what the assembly line design is. And then we'll start working on those. That's kind of cool. Because we definitely have enough cows for now. We might upgrade them to UIV. These are probably fast enough right now anyway. Stacking mode is nice. Add another row. Yeah, don't worry. I'll be adding lots of rows. We're probably going to have like over 1,000 of these guys. Is my guess. We're definitely going to have to add another thing. UEV 64 amp. A couple more of these. Dynamo hatches. Let's add like 3 of them to this line. I probably don't even need 3, maybe 2. Oh, someone already did. Yeah, let's just add. Let's add another one, a 3rd one, just in case. We don't want anything to go wrong. Cool. Let's go up. And it looks like they're all on, and let's try. Not sure we want a loci. Let's turn on loci. Where's my loci button? All my loci keybinds have reset. Why did it all reset? Clear this. Okay. Bring a loci on. Let's set this one, this one, this one. I mean, I think we can just use the drone center to turn them on. I feel like the drone center is easier. Yeah, let's try the drone center. Where is it? Where are you at? Where is the drone center at? I know Soy likes to use this thing, so let's set home drone center. Let's hope that works. And it will turn off. Yeah, okay. So these should all turn on, I hope. I mean, okay, let's look at the subnet. Let's see how many circuits are in the subnet. Oh, we haven't connected them to wireless yet. That's why. Okay, let's add a bunch of controllers down here. Wireless, sorry. I do know hubs are a thing, but I think this controller is just enough. It's just enough for everything we need. Okay, this is on binding mode, so we will bind all of them. Bind. 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 And then we can just add them all to this. That should turn them all on, I hope. I mean, I see some of them on. I feel like it's definitely not enough circuits to saturate all of them. Yeah. Okay, so that should be a little bit of an upgrade, and I'm going to work out which AALs we need to buff. These ones are making eternal coil. Okay, these are normal assembly lines. We want to upgrade the ones that have opticals in them. Let's go find those. Optical, because this seems to be like a big bottleneck right now. Yeah, okay, these ones. I don't know how this setup works. Let's take a look. I think we can just MM them. Okay, they're all using cables. UV 16 amps. Maybe I can ask Kyouki. Let's just do a little bit of investigation ourselves because I do want to know how they work so I can upgrade them. Because we are going to be spamming a lot of these. Okay, so all our... Oh, that's kind of interesting. Hang on. Visual interface into storage bus. I didn't think of it like this. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. I actually like this setup. Okay, I see what's happening. Nice, okay, that's very clean. So you can unjam them easily one by one. And then, is that perfect 32 channels? Okay, we can expand it by a few more. Hello.
Hello.
Can I expand assembly lines? Or ALs?
Yeah.
Optical ones.
Yeah, we need more opticals.
Okay,
The issue is that
Kyouki.
there was a bending machine.
Is it a bending machine?
There was a bending machine which was not working and everything got slashed down. So now everything is crafting at once.
Hello.
A bending machine caused everything to start working at the same time. And
Oh, I've got DAOs for opticals.
Gosh,
That's probably
yes.
smart. That's smart, actually. We should probably do that, yeah. Wait, which ones are the DAOs, Kyouki?
yeah, we could.
Which ones are the DAOs? Show me.
Yeah, for optical we probably should at this point.
Kyouki.
Okay, we need a few coils, like 6, 18,
Well,
20, 29.
Where are the
29
DAOs?
left.
Where?
Okay, theoretically you can use optical circuits now, or you can do whatever you want. Yeah, okay, I think we are good.
Okay, I guess I'm making DAOs
Probably
for
there are like
opticals.
100 optical mainframes in crafting inside assembly lines.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna make DAOs. I'm gonna focus on that. Oh, I'm gonna mute. Alright guys, working on DAOs. Let's go. My favorite thing to make. I guess we should just put the DAOs here, right? Oh, I guess Kyouki wants to help. Okay, let's get some advanced assembly lines. DAO time. Okay, should we do a subnet? Okay, Kyouki. You think that's less laggy? Because we can share patches. I think hatch sharing is more beneficial. If you guys, I don't know if you guys agree, but I think sharing hatches like this is better than, yeah. Okay, we'll make a controller. All right, let's just pick one. We can. doesn't work. Okay, let's make a template down here. How is this going to work? So we're going to want to laser these. So I think we're going to want lasers up one side. Okay, yeah, I think we're going to want lasers one side. So let's do it like this. Let's get a blueprint. Oh shit. No, we want it like this. How do we want this? Okay, let's look at opticals. Optical circuit. So we want to put dowels for all three. All three of these. Dun, dun, dun. Is the hatches sharing ME connections a new feature? Or has that been in the game forever? It's been in the game forever. There's not many people use it. But I think it saves a lot of lag, so I like using it. Alright. How many is this? 8. This is 9 long. Okay, let's get 9 of these. Hologram projector. Go on the side. So we can laser other one side. Okay. How do we want to laser this? Maybe we do it like this way. Is that better this way? Because we also do want to share the energy hatch, don't we? It's kind of annoying. Oh lol, they got crafting input buses. Is DAO double advanced Arsline? It is advanced. Okay, it's dedicated advanced assembly line. What was it wanting? Okay, well my glass is wrong. Okay, well let's get some stocking. Let's get some of these. I think sharing, okay, or is sharing lasers? I feel like sharing lasers are more valuable. But we don't need to share lasers, do we? I can't remember if I shared them or not. Hello. Wisdom Pigeon. Hello, Wisdom Pigeon. How are we going? Do you know much about GregTech New Horizons? Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Let's just do all of these. We're going to want stocking hatches shared, probably. Yeah. One, two, three, four. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll start just putting them in. I think I did break the wisdom pigeon. Wisdom pigeon, come back. Come back. We need you. We need you. We need to work out the most least or the most lag effective designs. I don't know how you say it. The most efficient designs. The most non-lag designs. In my opinion, the least laggy designs have the least hatches. And is that 9 really? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we put output here, right? On assembly lines, can I put the output? Yeah, we can share the output. We can share an output. Output. We'll share this output here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we just double wireless each side, I think. I think that's how we're going to do it. Okay, do we have any assembly line casings? Can I put this in? Will this work and not destroy the hatches? There's nothing in this thing. What does it want? Reinforced glass. Do I have to really put reinforced glass as the glass tier? 23, okay. Let's just put glass. 23, add. it doesn't, it doesn't like the laser now. It doesn't like the, okay, we'll just build the freaking thing ourselves. Solid steel machine casing. And then we need assembly line casing. Okay, the design is actually really important. So we should spend some time on it. And there's no best design, so yeah, we're just going for the least amount of lag. That's kind of the aim. Great. Because we will be spamming a lot. Like a lot. We need to get a maintenance hatch on this guy. Oh, this is the output here, so we don't have to go past this. Reinforced glass. I think Kyouki already built one. Surely that forms. Doesn't output go incline with the end slices? Incline? What do you mean by incline? Oh, to the side. Shit, you're right. You are right. What are we missing? Stocking hatches. We got a maintenance here. Hey, Adriana, how are we going? How are we going? ¿Cómo estás? Hola, hola. I'm a little bit confused. Have I messed something up? Oh, it's formed it. Okay. What have I done wrong? What the frick have I done? Oh, I don't have a data hatch. That's probably why. Yeah, wireless. Wireless. Is it this one? Which one is it? I've never actually used the wireless data hatches. What one are being used in here? Assembly line receptor. We can quad. We should quad share like this. Wait. Okay, so that's going on the output. Okay, I see how that works. And it's the wireless assembly line reception connector. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit slow. This one here. Beauty, I like it. I like it. And you can replace a gray casing. Okay. That's shit. Yeah, okay. He knows what I mean. He knows what I mean. Yeah, that's good. And then 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay. So we might have more channels than we can support. We'll figure it out. Let's use our Mattermonet. And then we'll edit transform. Actually, we'll control V, edit transform, and then we'll flip it. Oh shit. We'll flip it on the X direction. No. Oh, I was already doing it. I guess we can just control C these hatches. Cool. Yeah, these this wireless placement is going to be whack, but I think it's worth it. Okay, he's got it. Surely that forms. And then we have the reception here. And we got the laser. We got the lasers here. And then we can replicate this on the other side. Okay, cool. Why is this one not forming? Is it because we don't have get an energy edge? Oh, I put it on this side. Okay, let's get the grate. We'll chuck it there. Hopefully that forms. Where's the... Okay, why isn't this forming? Is anything I touch just doesn't form? Oh, okay, that's probably why. Oh no, that should be fine. We should get a blueprint and it should work. Okay, that should form, I believe. Surely. I don't know what they're up to. Maybe this receptor can't go here. I swear it can go there. I mean, this one's on the output. Okay, it's formed now. It's formed now. These are all filtered. Let's check with this networking tool. So this is more than 8 channels. So we have to be careful with this. And we have to distribute the channels properly. Let's get our spray can out. I'll show you guys how to do this. We have an infinite spray can. Yeah, okay, cool. So we're going to want 8 channels. We're going to want to use these 8 channels first. Actually, just wait. Let's do these 4, these ones. Then orange, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then magenta will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And these should distribute the channels perfectly, I believe. So we go like this. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we could do another wireless that just goes from there to there. I don't know if there's a better way. Wait, yeah, this is day, oh, I think we're day 13 now. One, two. I don't like this because it's like, it's not optimal. If we copy both wireless connectors, will this MM? I don't know how to do wireless cleanly. Copy wireless. Okay, well, we're not doing it like this. I mean, that's all the channels. This works. I just wish. Realistically, can you just raise the wireless by 1 block? What do you mean by raise the wireless? Because these only transmit 8 channels. Okay, why is this one changed? I mean, it works. I guess we can just do this. So we can have this wireless here, and then we just hub this to a main controller. That's probably fine, right? Yo, Kovic, how we going? Then I think we'll do it like this. I think that's perfect. Yeah, I wish they did transfer up to... Okay, what did you steal? Okay, we'll make another controller. And we'll make a subnet for these guys. Okay, which... We'll make another subnet. Those. We'll do it up here. I guess we can do it back. It's fine. We'll do it back here. Ooh, I want to do it the same distance though. So on this. Okay, let's connect a main controller down here. Should be fine. How many channels we got? I believe we have... How many we got? 15? Yeah, that's chill. Like this. Get some dirt. We'll just patch it up a little bit. And time to get some cables. I don't know what dowels we're going to want, so... I realize I could have used dents here. Ah, it's shy, it's fine. Let's clear this area back here. You export the output from the subnet back into mainnet? Yes. Yes, we do. Chat, did you know for world edit, it is slash as what? What is that? Slash Dezel? What is that? I don't know if I trust that or not. Oh, slash deselect. Oh. Sure for deselect. What does deselect do? Oh, that's actually so good. That's actually so good. I didn't realize this. You could do that. We don't have QFT. We don't have world edit in this run, so. We're not cheating, guys. Don't worry. Blue. Perfect. Let's get some dual interface going. I don't know what other DAOs we would want, but it's easy enough to add more. Cool. Okay, let's color these while we're at it. And then we'll do light blue. Color those. And then let's raise these ones up by one. Flag, okay. And we'll get this, this. And we'll get some drives. I wish we could color drives, but that's only in the dailies. Kind of excited. I'm very excited for that, actually. I think that's going to be a sick feature. And then we'll grab these. And we'll put some more of these down. Like so. Light blue. Some terminals. Like so. And then for optical mainframe, it can stay with UAL. What is that meant to mean? I think painting it works. I can't see the color. Talks about your mistaken cat and Vin stream yesterday, and Vin did not let you finish. And oh, okay. Okay, that's useless then. I'm just solving it all. It's fine. It's fine. I wish I had opticals. Okay, let's get some subnets going. I don't know how many DAOs we're gonna have, but I'm assuming we're gonna have a lot. Let's get some neutronium infinite cells. Add a fabrication CPU. Oh no. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. So we'll just set up a few subnets like this. Okay, how many spaces was this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cool. How do you stick the items? Oh yeah, it's draconic blades. If you were a GOG player, you would do that. Okay, these are all going to be in the subnet. Let's get some more controllers. Perfect. Cool. And we'll just connect these down to here. Do that one there. That one there. Oh shit. Hello. Come on. There we go. Okay. There's all the subnets. How are these cooking? So I think this looks fine. What is this? This was the first one, right? Yeah, so let's copy this around. Let's do Control C. I guess we should copy the whole thing, right? Okay, Control C, Control V. And then we'll want to copy it down here. Copy it this way, but we want to transform it. I always mess up flipping maxis. I think we flip it. That's fine. We flip it this way. And are the controllers facing where are the controllers at? No. We want to flip it. Sorry, this is kind of confusing. Did that flip it the right way? No, I want to flip it the other way. Oh, rotate. Oh, we want to rotate it. We want to rotate it along the y-axis. There we go. Yeah. Okay, let's paste this in. We add a reinforced class again. It's going to be the bane of me. So we should set up those space assemblers if they're not crafted yet. Oh, someone might have set them up already. I assume they did because it's, yeah. Crafting one Dyson Swarm trophy. Is this what we pattern Dysons as? Oh my god. Come on, guys. Okay, we'll set up this subnet. All right, let's get some storage buses. Bang, 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 bang. Okay, and we're going to sticky card them. I don't know what's eating all our reinforced glass. I'm assuming it's one of the DTPFs. There's something eating molten glass or something, chromatic glass. Oh, it's probably that. Mega vacuum freezer, just power failed. Nice. Nice. All right, so we're going to want this one here. I want this one here. And then this one here. And then we're just going to want some cables. Some anchors. Bang, 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 bang. I mean, we don't have that many. We can just use normal cables. That's fine. White and black. Let's get an interface and we'll just storage bus into an interface. And we'll make sure it's on insert only this time. Insert only and shove it like this. Easy, 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 easy. And that's how you set up a subnet. And let's make sure we have a neutronium cell to power the subnet. Cool. Nice. Hopefully our circuits craft. Is our reinforced glass craft yet? No. Why don't we say hello? What's going on in here? Oh, it looks like Vortex and PXX. Change channel.
They are looking on how to wash your atmosphere while I'm having trouble figuring.
What do you need?
Those vacuum freezers.
Freaking god! What is
I'm
happening?
trying to upgrade those. I'm doing it too quickly. I keep doing mistakes. Did I get one dynamo or hatch wrong?
Let me look. UV 16K. These will go fine. Did you upgrade the spline? Is that what you did? Wow. That should be fine. $34 bill. Oh, wait. This isn't a big enough spline.
Did you find this?
It's not a big enough spline.
What?
You would need 60,
big enough?
You need 65K UHV, wouldn't you?
Don't I have?
You've got 16K UHV
Wait.
going into 8's 16K
Oh.
UV.
Okay, but it should be enough because 16K
It'll be
UHV
enough
is
for one of
16K.
these. Oh, one quad.
No, it's UV.
Yeah. But you've only got 16K UHV, right?
Wait, is this one not 64? Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Okay, that's why I don't like all of those different sizes of lasers.
And you could rate limit these, but yeah, I think we can just upgrade that.
I would like to remove all of the lasers that are not the biggest of the tier. Where is... Are we out of those really?
Maybe. Oh my god, we have some big lasers. What's this one going to? Is that DTPF? I like how we have
Oh,
one
no.
LSC with just like a billion lasers sticking out.
Okay, we can only keep 4 vacuum freezers. Only 4 vacuum freezers running until it's done.
Is Eternal done? How's Eternal
Maybe
going?
a little bit of stuff. Okay, 1 Dyson Sphere is ready, by the way.
Nice. Should I go check out what PX is doing? Oh, is Eternal fully done now? Oh, let's go.
What, sorry?
Eternal DTPF. The blue one. Universium. No, not Universium. Eternal DTPF. Does that mean we're UMV?
Did I put it? I got lost.
Oh, we can craft the UMV hatch now.
I even put a 16. Who uses those small lasers? Use a UV laser if you have to. Whatever. I'm not used to using mid-size lasers like that. I always assume we use the biggest of the tier every time. That's why I get lost. Okay, I'm going AFK 1 minute while
No
this
problem.
crafts.
Oh, we have to make the UMV hull. Has anyone put it on craft? We have to be UMV. Yo. Let's go. Did anyone get a timestamp of this Eternal DTPF? Did you get it, Kyouki? I guess it's just 12 days, like 10 minutes or something. I'll just do that. That's probably fine, right? 12 days, 10 minutes. Oh no, Vortex has already done it. No way we got it an hour ago. I didn't think we had it an hour ago. Look. Surely our UMV machine crafts. Oh shit. Am I muted? Oh no, I'm not.
Okay, I'm back.
Welcome back.
Yeah, I don't like two things of how we use lasers.
Yeah, our laser situation is not good, but we have so many people, it's pretty hard to manage.
No, there are two things. Those are not important. It's just I don't like having around lasers that are not the biggest laser of each tier.
Yeah.
And also, one thing which I would call a good practice, but it's just one of my fixations. I don't like having transformers that are that are inside a laser line and have dynamos. Like, I want the dynamos on a transformer that only has one laser target and then it splits it into cable lamps. I feel those could move all of the power from one laser to the other, skip the
I
dynamo,
think
and then
so.
the power fails.
Yeah, I think we can redo it a bit, but I don't want to power fail anything.
At this point of the game, no, it makes no sense now.
Yeah. When your lasers are crafting. 5 of them are crafting.
I replaced one.
No, Kyouki, wait for the UMV. We need to hear the music.
Rip.
We need to hear the music, Kyouki.
Where is a laser? No, I will wait. Not tomorrow, but almost. Told you before we do UMV. Like, what do we use UMV for right now? If there is like 1 or 2 machines that may be worth it, okay. But
No, nothing.
if it is just upgrades,
I just want to get the hull. It's not crafting. Surely you can redo our press setup now.
okay. If you click quickly the UI in the transformer, it crashes. Okay, 16k amps to UHV to 4x 16k UV should work fine.
Okay, guys, are you ready? You ready?
For what? Go.
Let's go. GG.
Is there anything useful in UMV?
Sorry.
What happened?
For UMV now.
Oh,
Is there
okay.
anything useful in there?
In UMV?
Nope.
I don't think
Not
so.
really.
You can get Mark IV motors, I guess,
Or what?
for more modules. It's pretty cheap.
Very reasonable. I mean, yeah, it's kind of cheap. But first, space time on DTPFs.
Yeah. Oh, we got Mark II pumps as well.
Okay, this is really good. 200 space time per second. Oh my god. It's 3 hours per 1 DTPF. Nice.
It's pretty good.
How are we going up in power with 128 billion going in 1 DTPF?
Because we no longer have the hypogen seeking in power. I regulated the hypogen to
Ah.
do infinity passively in the most efficient way, basically.
Okay, cool. I'm patterning. I've actually already patterned quad Dyson, and we can
way.
place it.
Okay, you can
It, al-
stop
it
my
also
Dyson.
contains. It also contains all needed hatches for it to work.
Okay, you can start it.
So, yeah.
Wait, maybe they need circuits for imprint. Do you need the optical for imprints, duct?
Imprints for opticals? No. We have a lot of
I saw
opticals
some
now.
optical crafting. I don't know.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, yeah. Is the picture you sent the one you want to use, Vortex? It's almost...
No, it's not right recipe.
Yeah, there is a better one.
I remade it.
But there is a way to make it a continuous wall share. It's different.
It's
I don't
hard.
remember. No, maybe it's
Yeah, I've
that one.
had.
Maybe it is the one you sent.
No. This one doesn't work. PXF sent me
believe in you guys.
the wall share. I'll send it right now.
The correct way shares like a little bit of each. It doesn't.
I sent.
Oh, okay, that one. Yeah, that one.
It's just rotating it.
Yeah, but does that scale? I didn't use. I used a different one, but the one in PX is better.
We have literally
So I'm going to
everything
show
for
them.
it. I'm gonna start it right now.
Do it,
Yeah,
do
start it.
it. We need power.
No, the
Wow.
issue with the... Yeah, I should be able to... No, I'm not too sure about that one. How does it expand after this thing? Can you share the green things later with the setup a little bit? I think yes. Yeah, you can share it a little bit.
Only corners, but still something.
No, even more than the corner. Thinking that this setup looks like it doesn't share much of the green blocks that are the expensive blocks. But whatever,
Yeah,
it's okay. It's
green
okay.
I mean, better than nothing.
Okay, guys, how does the stacking thing works? Can I just... Do I need to stack an air block above it? Okay, no, wait. Is there a way to stack one block above? I think I have to copy the air block under it. Hang on. I mean, I should probably copy the setup here. So we want a wireless connector. Oh my god, they're buffing biofat so much. That's so funny. Remember to use stacking mode 1? Okay. Okay, we'll include these in our blueprint. So we'll chuck that one there. Chuck this one down here. And then we'll get the dense cables. Alright, I'll become an expert after this. We put a dense cable there and we'll blueprint this. Right. We don't have the lasers just yet. But I feel like we should probably put the active transformers in the thing. So let's do that. Let's put the active transformers in the pattern. Okay. Active transformer. Push out. We're gonna do it like this. We're gonna get some bender. We need some laser pipes. Laser pipes, and then we need some mirrors. Let's put some more mirrors in craft. And then we need some, what are the casings it uses? Uses high power casings. And I think we're using 16K UV. Is that all you need? Are these lasers the best? I don't know how much power we'll be able to pump a lot of power into this. Can't see the stream. I'm not caught up on the VODs, but I hear the support. Hey, welcome. We are UMV now. Did I change my title to? I think my title is UMV. I'm even on Twitch, but it's definitely on YouTube. I did expect us to get UMV. All right. Let's destroy the block down here. And we'll make this tileable. Okay, so we're going to want a laser there. A laser on top. Laser there. Okay, cool. It's kind of annoying because I feel like we should be rotating this so we get the maximum usage out of our laser, so we can get like 8 things like this, and we'll rotate this onto the side. I feel like we should do that. Yeah, let's do that. Let's copy these across and we'll rotate the whole thing. And we'll shove this here. Like this. Yeah, I think that's good. And then we'll put circuits on this side as well. Just so we save AT, like hatches. Okay, let's copy this setup. Like this. Control C. And then we can, oh shit. Control V. And we want to rotate it along the y-axis. Like so. Push the connector. It's fine, I'll add it after. Cool. We'll add this connector down there, and then we'll remove all this. It's so satisfying with the measure. And then we'll have them side by side in this active transformer, just so we can get the maximum usage out of this transformer. I think that'll be good for us. Cool. I don't know if we're going to be using UV lasers. Who knows? Anyways. let's continue with the design. Okay. Oh, that's saved. Nice. So we'll control C this over. We'll get another one of these guys. It's fine. We'll copy that across. We'll get this like that. And we'll copy it here. We'll go control C. Shit. There's one thing about the meta manipulator is that it shifts blocks sometimes. Okay. Then we'll edit transform and we'll rotate this. We'll flip it in the Y direction. It's not the right direction. Okay, that's the right direction. We need to get this transformation right. Okay, we need to get 2 more blocks back. Is that fine? Yeah, that looks fine. Okay, perfect. Now let's remove this. Hey, Vortex, how we going? Okay, perfect, perfect. Hey, Vortex, are you listening? What lasers should we use for opticals? For optical assemblies and then everything else. I'm setting up some DAOs. I think these are the most lag efficient DAOs that you can set up. I'm pretty certain. I think Kyouki wanted to use 16k UV, maybe. I can't be bothered doing the math. Maybe I just asked Tom. Surely Tom would know. I wonder if he was listening. Hang on. This setup's fine, it looks like. Oh no, why isn't that connecting? Why isn't that connecting? That should be the whole thing, right? Okay, let's try wireless this over. Should be the middle one. Ah, okay, we did it the wrong way. So this wireless connector should be here, and then this flux one should be here. Yeah, okay, this makes sense. And then let's wireless this. Yeah, okay, cool. And that should be the middle ones. Okay. Awesome, awesome. I'm glad we figured that out early. And we'll get this hub. Yeah, and those connect. Cool. Hello, 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 hello.
Hello, hello. Oh,
What cable, what lasers should I put on DAOs, and how many DAOs should I spam for opticals?
oh, wait, laser. Oh, cool.
Which one? Which one? Which one? What do you think would be good for assemblies, supercomputers, and mainframes?
Give me a moment. 1 billion U per tick each, maybe, but you don't do many. Okay, either you, I will do like 1 billion U per tick each.
Each?
And don't make too many. Like, make it so that we can copy paste the transformer and expand it.
Yeah.
Like, if you use something with 1
billion, if you
billion,
want. You can TP to my setup if you want. It's really good, I think.
oh, cool. Cool.
It's very compact.
Wait, I'm lost. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. I see.
Yeah,
Cool, cool.
It's very compact. I'm trying to use as small hatches as possible, as little hatches as possible, and cables.
Which tier is? Oh, yeah. Probably UAV. Those have better overclocking if you use an actual UAV energy hatch, right?
Do you think so? I don't know.
Read the description of the
I'm not an expert.
advanced assembly line.
I'm not an expert. I just shoved.
It has better overclocks.
So should we use UAV
Wait,
lasers?
34. Oh. Wait. Oh, that's a lot. 1, 2. That's 8 billions. Okay. UAV 256 amps.
Okay, I can do that.
I think that's perfect. UAV però, sorry, but screw it down a little bit.
I don't
know.
to
I'm
like
not sure.
128 or something if I can. I haven't screwed them down before.
I will do like 16 amps UAV. No, that's what we had earlier.
We can just use normal hatches for that, can't we?
No, the idea is that later on we toss those up.
them.
Once we get like 10 Dyson sphere, we go full power later.
Okay.
Or forget about them.
I'm not sure. Oh yeah, that's true. Maybe 1000. If we screw drive down at that point, I use 1000. Yeah, and then we have too many different lasers.
That's why I thought to ask you first before
Yeah, that's the
before I did
issue.
it.
The issue is that how awful is it if we... Which tier is it? The crafting here?
I mean, I could just do 256. I think that's fine. That's 2 bill each. And a screwdriver, how much can you screwdriver this down? I've never screwdrivered the laser down.
Oh, I was thinking about UIV.
UIV? Okay. Oh, you can just adjust
But
it
I don't know.
to whatever you want. Okay. We can do UIV, I guess. No, I just need a huge backbone.
Tom, did you cancel the Dyson?
Give me a moment.
I'm just cooking.
Okay. So just reorder it once you're done.
Oh, I'm just cooking, guys. Okay, I muted myself, but I can still hear the Discord. I really
What is it, Vortex?
should have that enabled.
Where are you?
I said you can just reorder the.
Oh yeah,
Dyson.
right.
So I don't have to ask you.
Okay, it's still crafting a lot of Infinity. Okay, this time I think it should be managed to finish. Should
Yeah,
manage to finish this time.
UIV 256? Surely. Yes, no. Or UEV 256. UEV 1000. UIV 256.
At that point you can do whatever you like more. Okay, either we use UAV 256 and then we upgrade the block,
I think we
or
can just
we go with like...
I feel like UAV is fine. I think
Okay,
that'd be pretty cheap
and then
to
we
craft.
upgrade the block, yeah.
Yeah, I think that'd be cheap to craft.
Yeah, it's cheap to craft. Yeah, let's go with that.
Okay,
and later on, we'll probably switch to something way more stronger.
Yeah,
stronger.
definitely. Okay, I'm gonna craft like, I don't know how many, 64 of them. Okay, muting. All right, guys, we got our answer after a lot of time, but we did it. Okay, so we're going to be using UAV 256 amp, 64, and how high can we go? So I think we can go actually really high. Also, guys, should we rotate this so that we can see the controllers? I feel like we should. Okay, let's rotate it so we can see the controllers. Really trying to get the most out of the setup. All right. Use the T, mate. The T? Oh, is that what this is? Thank you. I don't know about this. I wish Soycake told me about this. It's all right. Control C. Okay, we're going to Control V this. And then we're just going to edit transform and we're going to rotate. Okay, when it rotates around the Z axis, this should be going clockwise, right? Yeah, okay, cool. And this should show the controllers, right? Beauty. That looks so nice. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of unfair trying to compare yourself to us. Like even I have time to make setups because we're just waiting on DTPFs. Okay. Okay, let's go Control C. Let's just delete this. Okay. Control C. We'll Control V this setup. We can delete this. Hopefully this sends it to AE2. Oh god. I accidentally copied the floor, I think. I think I copied the floor, guys. Okay, let's delete this floor. Okay, and let's finalize this final blueprint for it. Let's get an active transformer. And we'll figure out what the big lasers are. So let's say we want to stack. How many do we want to stack? We want to stack maybe 1, 2, 3. So this is 8, 16. So let's say we want to stack 64. Probably 128, right? How much EVTIC is that in terms of 256? UEV lamps.
Because
Sorry, I accidentally hit my keybind on mute. So that's 2 billion EVTIC each, right? 2 billion times, okay, if we do 64, that's 128 billion. I think we can afford that with a Dyson. So we do 64, we just need to get a 16,000 amp laser, which is fine. We can do that. UEV 16. Oh, we can do that. Maybe we can even do UEV. This one. Yeah, that's fine. We can do that. So this is a laser source hatch and laser. Let's get a target one. Is this because someone used it for hiles? I feel like this is why someone used it. What was the throughput? Too okay, maybe that's too high. Surely it's fine. Surely it's fine. Okay, whatever. Well, we're gonna put that there. We'll get our mirrors up. And we'll get our laser. Lazy built different. Lazy renames his acceleration cards because they kept getting used by crafts, so he never had them. How are you guys? How are you guys? Cool. Oh, we can put that in. Sorry, I spent so long designing this, but I think it matters a lot. Nice. And we'll get this bender here. Beautiful. This is great background ambience. Nice, thank you. Okay, oh, and we forgot these ones. This is a very dense setup. Awesome. Look at that. Okay, let's get our way. Yeah, let's break it. Then we'll get this one. And this one will have to go up. That's fine, actually. Conclude, okay. Thank you. That's fine. Do I really need a chunk load? I do. Wow. Thanks. Okay, you're gonna be at Stargate any second now? Hey, nice, nice. Not coloring the lasers the right laser, it's fine. This is a different setup. It's not even like gonna be on the main thing. I'm gonna do red though, I think that looks cooler. Even though you can't even see it. This is gonna be in its own subnet. Alright, I guess we do this setup. We copy it. I think we can copy half of it. How long is this one? This is 8, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This one is 9. Okay, so it's slightly longer. So we will just copy this setup and then we'll half it. Really main lasers. I think we've given up on that. I mean, I've never colored a single laser the right color or wire. I am the culprit to that. So I just look at the freaking transformer. The colors don't remind me of anything. Okay, we're just gonna copy this setup for now, and then we're gonna put it. We're just gonna shove it behind it because we're just gonna copy these later, or maybe we'll shove it on top. And these are just templates. Cool. And then what we're going to do is we're going to delete half of this. I feel like this is going to stop working at some point. Oh shit. Actually, let's copy that again. I think we delete. Oh, we don't have. We need a reception connections. We need more of these. Let's get 100 more. I think we'd have to delete one of these halves. Wait, how is this set up? Yeah, okay, we have to delete a half. Let's delete this half. These AOs are disorientating. Alright, there it is. There's the inside. Alright, now let's figure this next one out. And we can probably delete this output bus here. Yeah, cool. Alright, so we've done this one. We'll do this one next. So it's gonna be this. Thin silicon and polybenzidimol. Did we even stock the other one? But yeah, we did. Okay. I'm gonna delete that. What are the fluids? This. Keto living soda. Okay, they're the same. Cool. That optical. That. And then 2 more. I wonder if we can make this work. I hope we can. I feel like we will be able to. So we go 1, 2. Then it's this. And that, and we'll check the length. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, perfect. We could data stick these. Let's just data stick. I don't know. Does the orb work on assembly lines? Let's try this. I don't know if orb works on these, but I don't want to copy the colors across. That's fine. Oh, this is going to copy the colors. Whatever. We'll recolor them. Okay, cool. And we just need an output bus here. Right here. And we'll make sure this auto outputs. Like so. Cool. Let's get some solid steel machine casing. Okay, crazy assembly. Swear I'm fucking. I don't know. I'm so cooked. Alright, I'm not in a rush. It's not a speedrun. Oh, do I need more? Yeah. Okay, it's a different casing. I hate how they're the same texture. This is the one I was getting confused about. Okay, let's put 1,000 of those. What does Duck want? Hello, what's up?
I see you crafting wireless data. I remember a little bit of discussion. I don't remember what was the conclusion.
I thought you said just to use Dart Wireless.
I'm okay with it. I was just wondering because if it is dedicated and if it does cause more lag, may as well try to use the data stick in the controller.
That's fine. That's fine. I don't mind. I don't care. You just can't. It doesn't work with MM.
Oh, it does copy. It does copy the data stick. It does put the data stick inside it.
Oh, nice.
Try if you want to try.
It's alright. Wait, do data sticks work inside the controller? Do I not need? Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, you can just do that, and the matter manipulator places it too. If it is a dedicated, it only needs one data stick in the controller.
Well,
that way
makes
you
it-
don't even have extra blocks that
that
it
makes it
has
easier.
to check.
I'll cancel then. It's fine.
Yeah. If you plan on changing the recipe in the future, then it
No, I
may
don't
be
think so.
better to.
I think it's fine.
Okay, then.
I think we could just replace the controllers if we do that. It's fine.
You need the data sticks in A2 or your inventory, but it places it. You know how to copy, no? Right?
Yeah. It's good to know. Good to know. Thank you. Yeah, okay. Helpful tip from Tom. We have to figure out how to distribute the channels across this properly. How many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. This is going to be rough. We might have to make the hub this side. Yeah, okay, we're going to have to make the hub this side. And we're going to need dense cables. Yeah, and then we're going to link it to here. And that's how we're going to do it. Let's get the spray can. We're going to spray 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to connect those 4 channels. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's white. And then this one will get all these ones. Okay, awesome. That's perfect. That's perfect. If it's any longer, then it's going to be a lot more annoying. I mean, I guess we can just put 2 of these connectors there. That's fine. Okay, that should work. We'll double check this. Yeah, that looks fine to me. Yep, okay. Okay, let's copy this. Control V. Edit transform and we'll rotate on the, okay. Perfect. Control V. Make sure the channels have all sides in it. Yeah, they should. I mean, okay, I can power them on. Yeah, let's do that. Let's get a neutronium cell. Let's try power them on. And then we'll connect them up and we'll just double check. It's a good point, good point. Yep, they look fine to me. Perfect. Okay, let's paste this across. And then we'll just copy this to the other side. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. And then let's control V this. Edit transform. Let's actually control C it. Okay, we can just copy it from here. Copy. Remove this one. Remove this one. Control V. Let's rotate it around the x-axis. This should replace it. I hope. A beautiful skyscraper got that. Thank you, thank you. Assembler machine casings. I think we queued those. Waiting on nitrogen plasma. I wonder what's. This is probably taking all the plasmas. That's a lot of circuits actually. Yeah, that's definitely what's doing it. Let's just do 8 target hatches. Let's just do like, okay, let's do 10. Yeah, that's 2 mil. That's a bit more reasonable. I think the fusions might take a while. Let's check the buffers. Guessing the bug is when you're sitting between 2 blocks. Yeah. It's really annoying. The meta-minute bug. Okay, we are doing nitrogen plasma. Radon. Yeah, I think so. I think we need a
Yeah,
few.
MK5. I'm afraid the MK5 will stack everything for 2 days to be crafted.
Yeah,
I'm going to
it
make 10
takes
more
so long.
MK4s.
Okay, yeah, do that. I think plasma is a pretty big issue.
Thing is that we are making 4 Dyson spheres at once. That's taking a little bit, but I think it's doable. The issue is that it's doing a lot of plasmas, then all at once it will complete a lot of stuff.
Yeah. I mean, those 4 Dysons would be very good for us. So. How long do Mark IV compacts take? Oh, it doesn't look too
What,
bad.
sorry?
How long do the Mark IV compacts take?
Yeah, Combat 4 is not too bad. It looks bad here, however.
It's not too bad, yeah.
We are out of circuit.
Circuits.
Yeah, this morning I connected. There was a missing channel on the EBF,
Oh no.
and basically everything was stuck for that.
Oh,
Then we
no.
had that vending machine missing one channel, and everything was stuck.
Oh my. These gators and their channel management. Come on. It's fine. It's easy to forget. Oh yeah, I need to get this.
Meanwhile, I'm also trying to push for space time.
More space
I already have
time.
1 million space time. Soon, second DTPF. But I really need more compacts, fusion, and Dyson spheres now.
Yeah. We definitely have to
Compacts,
scale those.
yeah. Fusion reactor are starting to take priority over everything else. In my mind of prioritization.
Yeah, I think so as well. You just use so much and it's so slow.
Oh no, we don't no, that's horrible. What's
What's up?
No,
What's
I
up?
have to stop stuff.
What's up?
We're out of Rest Planet. Guys,
Oh no. That's not good.
43, no, start! Where is the Rest Planet? Okay, I'm going to dump everything from the fusion. No. We have to restart things later.
That's fine.
Come on.
I
Do a
believe in
little
as
bit,
well.
do a little bit. What can I throw into the TPFs right now? To not lose this count. No, I was distracted too long. Come on. Okay. Something turn on.
You got it?
No. But I can throw. No, wait, no, what am I doing? Too much. Okay, the TPFs are working somehow. Now I'm going to have to restart every CPU. Sorry, doctor.
That's fine.
I have to restart yours too.
That's fine. Even the Dyson. Damn.
Yeah, I had to take the Rest Planet otherwise. Even the compact.
No discount. I hate this fucking paste thing. Fucking hell, dude. That took way too long.
Yes.
Is that stuck on what?
I had
Why
to stop the
Dyson is
Dyson
not
just
crafting?
now. I had to
Okay.
stop those just now. The TPF lost some discount because we ran out of fuel.
Oh. And we have issues with some catalysts. I mean, plasmas.
Fusion reactors are too slow.
Yeah, we need more. We need to scale it.
Crazy.
Like always,
Now it
it's
has
always
more
But we
fusion.
can't afford. But we can't afford MK5 yet,
No,
right?
it's way too expensive.
I crafted in my vault. I crafted MK5 before
it's-
DTPF.
It's gonna take too long to craft.
I'm going to check it again. We are low on profin for MK5. We don't have enough profin and Kevlar. Kevlar and profin are both too low for MK5. That is one thing. Then, okay, with the parts of the DTPF, it doesn't take too much MK5 outside of those two things. We don't have enough Kevlar and profin. We have to figure out that.
Kevlar, I can just put more
What
bees if you
else?
want. It's fine.
Yeah, better if you get more Kevlar bees.
I'll go get more Kevlar bees.
What
Let's
else
go.
is problematic in this one? We also need some a little bit of Neptunum and Fermium. What else do we need for MK? But I don't know. I feel like we could get stuck if we try to rush MK5 too early.
Yeah, I think so as well.
Restart your stuff, Duct. Vortex, can you like do 2 Dyson spheres and then finish the setup?
Okay.
What the fuck did I just do? I didn't realize this was the input chest. Yeah, let's put these guys in. Oops, my bad. Okay, this should be fine. I'll clear these bits later. It's fine, guys. Don't worry. You didn't see that. I didn't do that. Okay, let's chuck some more Kevlar bees in. Tom's stressing. Tom is stressing. I had to check I was muted when I said that. Yo, Rosie, how are we going? What's our energy setup? Currently we have 120 billion on Mark 3 Dyson. Oh, Mark 3 knock fuel. I'll go show you in a second. I'll just get some Kevlar bees in here. And we're setting up some Dysons now. So yeah, I think we might have one Dyson running. I don't actually have space gear for Horus or whatever, wherever it is. So I can't look. I might steal Soy's though and go take a look. Because I've never set up Dysons properly before. In my GOG run, we set them up in the overworld. Because it was min dimension. Okay, that's a very nice amount of Kevlar queens. Do you guys think that's enough? I think it's enough. Let's not go above that. Let's go steal Soy's stuff. He's even more stressed when he's muted. Is there a cell in this up? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. I think it just voids if it gets full. Oh, he doesn't even have the Galactic Craft shit. Guess I can't see. Okay, Kevlar should be up. Do you remember? Did you understand what Tom said? What was the second thing we were low on for Mark 5? I mean, I could probably just request it. I don't know what he said. I couldn't understand. I couldn't understand him. Compact fusion, Mark 5. Infinity, Kevlar. Oh, propane. Propane. Yeah. Where are we getting propane from? Some petrochem? The pace you're progressing is shocking. We're chilling, we're chilling. Some oil chem. Wait, how can I fix this? I'll fix this though. Okay, I'm working on propane. Don't worry about it. Butadiene. Okay. What's the best way to get what's the best way to get protein, guys? I actually don't know. Heavy fuel, light fuel. Do we just do petrochem? What's the highest ratio? Propene. I don't know why we need so much. Can we get it from Treeline? Let's check. I don't think we can get it from Treeline. Propene, propene, propene. I'm sure we have something somewhere. Looks like naphtha is the highest. Looks like moderately correct naphtha. Okay, I think it would. Oh, actually, there's butadiene. No, that's valid. Okay, well, butane's from this. I think we cracked naphtha. I think naphtha's the best. I'm surprised we don't have that though. Okay, let's check how much naphtha if we're producing anything from anywhere. Okay, well, we do have moderately cracked. We could pattern it. But that's kind of cursed, isn't it? We do have a pattern for some reason. I'm not sure if it's going into a distillery. Oh no, that's not the right one. Oh no, we need naphtha. This one, yeah. Best propane is lightly, yeah, we need to get butane from somewhere, so I think naphtha's the way. And we don't have any naphtha for some reason. We can do server restart for the maintainer bug. Let's go fluid terminal. We got no naphtha. Okay, where's our petrochem? Surely we do have some. Otherwise we're setting a new lineup. What's this? Osmium solution. I didn't realize we need so much. I swear I didn't need that much propane late game. We do have infinite oil, so I think we can do it. Yeah. And we can pump heavy oil from... I don't know where we're getting all that oil from. I guess we process the raw oil that we have. Okay, let me check what we're actually using propane on before I do it. Let's say we didn't need this. Okay, let's go to recipe inputs. We'll search up propane. We need it for epichlorohydrogen. What is that used for? Epichlorohydrin. How mad would Tom be if I switched it to glycerol? What is allyl chloride? Is allyl chloride better? Is this recipe better or am I tripping? Is this recipe more efficient? Okay, let's check. Okay, we'll do that. Let's say we want to do like 10k epichlorine. Okay, it's 10k propane. Okay, that's the 10k. Okay, it's fine. Imagine compressing space time and black holes are missing miscommon. Yeah, I'm just double checking. Yeah, where's the SE pump? Come on. Okay, well, I guess we'll get naphtha and we'll just set up a chem somewhere. Let's get a mega distillation tower up. We might need 2 of these. PX is going insane. Yeah, I think so. I swear I didn't have a Petrochem late game. Oh, you've cleared all the mixes. Alright, let's check if we have any lasers. Okay, well, we definitely have lasers. I meant like any space for DTs. Okay, what's this laser going here? What spline is this? 65,000. Surely there's enough on this line. We can put it beside woodland. We'll stick with the freaking theme. Okay, what's this? Back to Radogs. Okay, yeah. Let's just shove it. Here. Okay, distillation tower. There's gonna be a freaking big distillation tower. I don't know what's blocking this stuff. Wait, what is blocking everything? I think the press might be clogged. We do need to redo presses as well to proxies. I really don't want to do that while everyone's on. I feel like someone's put the wrong laser in here. What laser is this meant to be? Okay, circuit 1. I think it's meant to be circuit 1. Someone's just put the wrong lasers in here. I didn't pattern that, guys. Okay. Okay, now that's gone through. But we've got a new project to work on now, so I don't actually know where we're getting our epoxide propene from. Where were we getting our propene from? Do you guys know where were we getting our propene from? Is there Petrochem anywhere?
Getting what?
The propene?
Oh, I'm not sure. There was? I'm not sure.
Because I don't know where it is, but we do have 94 million, so we must be getting it from somewhere. Otherwise, I'm just going to set up another 2 mega distilleries. On like naphtha or something.
Okay, titanium is very slow in smelting. 25 per second on each of mega ABFs.
So that
What's up?
someone noticed that Neptune in plasma and Fermi in plasma are probably faster with the MK5 recipe in a small MK5 than the compact 4.
Really?
So what if we build many small 5s to do those 2 things, and when it's time, we tear it down to build the big 5?
Do you think that's worth it? It probably is.
I mean, rather than having the parts of the MK5 idling in A2 or inside a crafting CPU, it's probably
smart,
better.
actually, yeah. Yeah, why don't we do that? That's smart. Because, yeah, it would just be gradually scaling the freaking thing. Instead of waiting 2 days. Yeah, we can do that.
I have to know how faster it is, the small 5 on random things.
Why do we not have a smart blocking mode on EBF 11 low priority?
Just enable it.
Because it's low priority, so it doesn't clog other recipes. Leave it.
But it just doesn't use full parallel of mega EBFs, no?
it inserts 1,000 items at a time. Multiply it a little bit if it is an issue. I don't want 100k of something super slow to clog forever DBFs.
But it will still
You
need
can
to craft.
multiply it.
Wait,
What?
what plasmas did we want in these? We can test it now. This is idle. The Mark V.
I don't know. Wait, put a crib, but I wanted the priority on. I don't want to mess with it. We can leave one there. I want to read the controller what it says.
What have we got? Technetium. To the top one. Oh, shit.
Wait, it has 4/4 overclock and it takes UV energy in each hatch. How good is that? It is 4/4 overclock. That is perfect overclock, right?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, aren't all fusions perfect, I see? That's why.
How much energy are
tuning
those
them up is so
MK3s
good.
using? Wait,
5
wait,
mil.
wait. This one is using. I think the single block MK5 is faster than a compact MK3.
Probably. I wouldn't be surprised.
I think we should spam small MK5s. Once we have enough, we can build up big compact 5.
Yeah, 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 I think so as well. I think it's smart. Rather than freaking waiting 2 days.
Okay, the MK4 did not craft much stuff, so we can recover its part, and now we can make.
Just do one at a time. Just keep doing one.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm going to do, one at a time, and I'm going to spam small 5s, one at a time. The only issue is if it's required. Oh, if it is a UEV energy hatches, then it's perfect. Which tier is the hatch?
UAV.
What's the Soycake? Okay, I think that's great.
What's up with these? Let me. For some reason, while it only shows.
Okay, I think that's planned. We have enough Resplendent and Infinity.
Hello.
Okay, it's time to buff.
Yeah, someone didn't right click the input hatches on
oh,
the
yeah,
place, and
yeah.
and because of that, only the down ones were working.
Yep.
Great setup.
Oh well.
And also now it is overflowed, the wireless.
No
Yeah,
missing channels.
I'm fixing that right now.
Alright, did you queue a Mark V? Yeah, nice. Okay. Alright, that looks like we have most of the parts already. We could speed these up. What do we need? Just an assembler. Oh, my mega distillery is done. Let's get some.
Just 24, 16, and 0. What did I just connect? Was that you? Yeah.
Why do we have 2 different Ragnar patterns?
Who knows? Who
Whatever.
knows? You
Because we can.
You can see your pattern them.
Yeah, I see.
All right, let's get these. Oh, we can pump raw oil. Okay, nice. Okay, I'm muting it. I'm muted. We're just gonna pump SE pump raw oil. I think, yeah, this should be fine, right? We'll just process for naphtha. We can probably void the rest. Yeah, I mean, if we're low on propane, we may as well make a dedicated setup. All right, let's get some. Yo, thank you for the follow. Derek's Lava Guys and Suik. How we going? How are you guys going? Hologram projector. Let's go 4 of these. I'm gonna let Tom stress by himself. And Signor Dave. How we going? All right, let's get these up. 4 should be chill. What are we missing? I think we're missing a couple of these things. Cool. And then we'll share this one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you know Holly doesn't play. Yeah, I don't have. I've got GTNH on, so it's fine. I know. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna moderately crack this, so we can do that. Am I crazy? Okay, so we can do that in oil cracker. Oh, we do need to process it first. Okay, reactor. That's fine. We'll crack it moderately. Where's our oil cracker at? Lightly. Should be. Lightly, moderately. Cool. And then we're gonna distillery. Oh, this is a big fuck distillery. It's always worth it just trying to go for Dango distillers on like this circuit. Whatever. We'll get all of these. I mean, all of this is so useless. Like for late game. I guess benzene's okay. But we are getting a ton of benzene already. But we need it. Propane. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's so big. Okay. Let's get some more of these. Alright, let's build more of the best multi-block in the game. Yeah, Dangotes are pretty OP. Or you can get these fuckers. Oh, there's a cracker here. Should we just copy it? Yeah, let's copy it. Do we have mega cracker? We do have one. Let's just copy this one. This is what I'm looking forward to about the MM. Is that I don't have to build these modis by hand. Okay. And then Control V this one. And then let's edit transform and let's rotate this in the Y direction. Is that the controller facing us? Which way is the controller? Wait, where's the controller? Where's the controller? Okay, it's at the so it should be one of these. Whatever. We'll figure it out. And then we'll plug it. We'll give it some space. What are we missing? We're missing neutronium glass. Okay, let's get some of that. Even though we could probably just use cosmic shit. Let's do 100. Hi from Italy, Signor Dave. Wow. Like average Greg Tech player. Says number behind the fluid. Nice. Can't even, yeah, I can't even. I mean, I have to do it. It's fine. Let's get the hatches. Let's get some upper hatches. 134 mil, that's probably good enough. Each level, is this the first level? So each level is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3. There's 4 off the top. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There. And I think the top one's 1. Yeah, that looks right. Cool. And then we'll do this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So many, so many, so many, so many, so many. Tom doing donuts and donuts. Yeah, Tom's having some fun. I'm sure he's loving the DTPFs and donuts. I'm glad I'm not managing that. I really dislike that. This should match the top. Okay, perfect. Thank you, thank you. All right, let's get some dense cables on these outputs. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, look, this is at least something you guys might be familiar with. I'm sure you guys have done Petrochem before. Cool. Let's get some cables. Is the one meant to be in the bottom? No, that's the input should be in the bottom. We'll just use stocking inputs. And I guess we can do an output here. Output bus. I guess stocking input, yeah, it's fine. Stocking input. So we're going to do this here, this here, this here. And then we're going to put raw oil in here on circuits 1. Let's get a stocking hatch. Let's get an input bus. So I'm trying to read chat. How long have the sessions been to reach this level of automation? I mean, I haven't played for too long sessions. Most of my sessions have been like 2 to 4 hours. I struggle to concentrate past that. I know Soycake has had sessions of like 14 hours, and Tom has had very long sessions as well. But so yeah, there has been some long sessions, but you can put the card in the controller. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, let's get a neutronium cell. Let's get a drive. Probably need a couple. Maybe not that many. Maybe this many. And let's get some cells. I think we got quantum cells now. So we'll use those until singularities. Oh, we have singularity cells. Oh, we should definitely pattern those, but always quantum cells, so that's probably good enough for us. We'll just use all of them. Tom is average Greg Tech player. Yep. We have a lot of outputs, so there we go. They should organize their priority accordingly. Yeah, that should be fine. And we just need to connect it to the mega cracker. Let's put moderately cracked snapter in here. Natha. Is the steam cracked? Yeah. Cool. Let's check if we can finish this multi off. What are we missing? I wonder what energy hatch is on this guy. Doesn't have to be much. We have steam. What steam do we have? What steam do we have in that? We have 8G of steam. What is this? Just railcraft? This one. Cool. Why can't I click it? Okay, there we go. And we'll choose the circuit number. It's circuit 2. Should just put it in here. This is circuit 24. Cool. And this should stocking some naphtha. And we do need a chemical reactor as well. Let's see if we can steal one. So can I just steal this one? Nice. What hatch is on here though? All stocking. And we'll just shove another machine here. That should be fine. And to make naphtha, you just need hydrogen and sulfuric naphtha on circuit 4. Very easy. I don't think we're going to care about the hydrogen sulfide. So we just need to have hydrogen and steam into this net and we're good. And we should have infinite for that, obviously. We're such a high tier. It would be very surprising if we didn't. And I want to clear this channel, this color channel, so we can use solvent. We'll get a solvent in this. Chuck it like that. And we'll put circuit 4 in here. Circuit. Program circuit. Okay, we got some already. Nice. That should be good. And we do need to connect some energy up, so probably not going to be using a laser for this. Maybe we will, I don't know. Cool. Where was the energy hatch on this guy? Who knows? Who knows where it was put? Could be anywhere. The ZPM laser. Okay. I guess we can use ZPM lasers, it's not an issue. It's fine, and then cool. How many amps is 4K ZPM? So we divide that by 4. It's UV 250 UHV. I guess that's not too bad. How many lasers do we have? We got so many. Why don't we just do it? Fuck it. It's fine. She'll be right. All right. Where's the middle? Is this the middle? Yeah. Okay, we'll do a target hatch here. Target hatch there. And then we will put maintenance hatches on. This is pretty low tier, but I don't think it needs to be that high. Because we're going to be maximizing the parallels. So some laser vacuums. And this one's there, this one's here. And I guess we'll get some mirrors. And we'll probably want another transformer. Maybe not that one. Do we have a plain transformer we can copy? We're going to line it up here. Trying to line it up. I mean, that's fine. It's fine. Guess we don't need to line it up that much. Okay, what's this? UV 16K. I don't know if this is going to suffice. Or still a warp? Yeah, of course. Of course. I just love Thorncraft, don't worry. I'm a Thorncraft addict. Okay, we got the 16K one, and let's get the source one. They're both source. Where's the target? This one. Alright, Thorncraft Warp is good. I might be doing a new run soon, potentially. A new challenge run. And it's going to involve some warp. But we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. I've been invited to it. I really hope that wasn't me. Surely that wasn't me. But there's covers on there. Oh yeah, Azrael's is here. Azrael's. Yeah, just a little bit of warp. High power casing. Okay, let's just grab this. Let's get some superconducting coils, and then we'll just power this around. Transformer. I hope this propane is worth it. I hope it is really worth it. I mean, we need it, so I don't see us getting it any other way. All right. Let's shove these source hatches down here. I guess we're going to just use laser mirrors. It's so ass though. I really hate using mirrors sometimes when it's like this. So you need 1, 2, 3, 4. That should be good. Awesome stuff, awesome stuff. Now let's connect these source hatches up. Can you laser cable source hatches? Does that work? In MM? Fuck. I can't explain my shit. Can I do a line of cables with MM with these vacuum pipes? I'll try it after this one. I guess I could just copy this one as well. You can? Okay, sick. Can I do any block? Any block? Alright, we're definitely using that. So set mode, cables. And we're going to click this as our cable. We'll put our first cable here. That's so much better. Why wasn't I using this before? Why didn't no one tell me about this before? Alright guys, so look, I'm coloring it black. Surely ZPM is black. Did y'all use the Essentia fluid tech that's Space thing. Nah. We had infinite essentia from infused seeds since frickin' Tashio. Or Aurum gives you all of the ethereal essence. So we just shoved that into a boiler and it gave us infinite and we didn't have to worry about essentia this whole run. It's very nice. I'm probably going to be doing that in every run I do from now. It was so good. I'm in cable mode, but you need your plays. Huh? Plays mirror yourself? What's that? I'm trying to read YouTube chat for context switch. Shit. Oh, place the mirrors yourself. Oh, that makes... Yeah, okay, I understand. Okay, I can't see now. Oh, that was perfect. Is that... Oh, that's so close. We need more pipes. Actually, I can just use MM. What am I doing? What am I doing? Shit. Yeah, what am I doing? Cool. Let's color these black. Then we should just be able to turn everything on. Oh, I'd have to connect it to main still. And then it's done. And that should be all set up. It took a bit, fuck me, a bit longer than I thought, but whatever. Bang, perfect. Do you think infused seeds break balance? Yeah, probably. It's a lot of cool mechanics coming together to bring something broken. It's like, I like it. I offered to help with the rework already if it's going to get nerfed. I really hope it doesn't get nerfed too much if it does. But it's so niche. I don't think many people will do it because it's so annoying to get to that void putty state and get him repairing all that void putty. I mean, if you know how to do it, it's pretty easy, but if you don't, it's kind of cooked. Okay, so we can't use black wire for this one. Yeah, I really have to get better inventory management. Oh, let's get purple. Hopefully I don't disconnect anything. And we'll use cable mode. Okay. Let's go one back. We were fine the whole time. I swear I made a healing nano booster for myself. Yeah, I did. Like ages ago. Let's put that on. Why does Coco come up every time this anti-fun changes? Because he changes everything. He changes literally everything. He took the arcane bricks from LV or the Novus loot bags just because people were getting Steam Age infusion. And it's been in the game forever. Like, why would you do that? Why would you do that? No one's gonna do that. It's like just the select couple of people are going to try to do that. It's never going to become meta. Does anyone know what they use in their use sphere? We use cetane boosted diesel with I think around 12% promoter ratio. Yeah, we use infused seeds to generate like a fuck ton of oil. So that's how we were able to manage that. Let's get some storage buses. I think I will make a guide on infused seeds eventually, just so people can experience the power. It is very strong. They are very strong. Interface. It's just a lot of setup, so I think a lot of people are gonna think it's useless. Or are they just gonna hate on it? Something like that. Wireless. We need to get quite a few of these wireless. Let's get a wireless hub going and let's get some connectors. And we're gonna need a mainnet connection, so let's go do that. I guess our mainnet. Let's just shove it here. Perfect, and we'll go back to down here. I wonder how our controller is doing. I haven't looked at it in a while. Honestly, could be worse. Could be worse. Could be worse. I'm actually kind of surprised. It's pretty neat. It's neater than I expected. Guide to the Nev's, yeah, that's good enough. No, but I would suggest the changes that I think would be reasonable. I've already told them that it is pretty strong. They don't actually know how strong it is, but I've told them that it's strong beforehand, so we'll see. One of them actually buffed the electric curve growth for me. And they sent it in like DM, like secretly, so it didn't get a start of any conversation. Okay. So now the electric hoe can also harvest infused seeds because there was no reason why it couldn't. Okay, so we are gonna want to view some of main. We're just gonna want to view. We're gonna do the lazy way for now. So it's such a small subnet, doesn't matter. We're gonna do hydrogen and we're gonna do steam. And then I guess we don't really need to view any items. Yeah, that's all we need. That's all we need. And then we're just gonna have a dual interface here. Just because I'm a bit pedantic, I'll put an anchor down. I'm getting messages. I'll put an anchor down like this. And then we'll put a fluid storage bus. And we'll go extract only. We'll also go extract only on this. How many people in this run? There's probably around, I would say 7 to 8 active. I invited around 15 people, I think. And we had it close to that at the start. I think 2 people didn't show up or something. But yeah, we probably have around 7 to 8 active still into the late game, which is really good. Normally people die off in the late game and you normally get like two to 3 people playing. That's why I'm kind of just taking it chill and just doing the setups properly. But yeah. Oh, we need oil in here, fuck. Oh, we didn't get the steam in. And let's get some raw oil. That should be good. And that should be everything started. I think we're going to start this. Yeah, nice. Okay, then that should build up. We'll see these cells fill up. We might want some more quantum cells. Okay, this is the priority. And then we can just do a void overflow. Let's get a conduit. Or cable, I guess. I'm going to put item voiding on these guys. And right, we only really need propane, so we're just going to void everything except propane until it's full. Oh my god, lag. What are we producing in here? We're producing gas, light fuel, heavy fuel. Okay, we'll void gas, light fuel, heavy fuel. Like overflow void. Heavy fuel. Do you think too many cooks spoil the broth in regards to the speedrun? No, I don't think so. I think we have a very good selection of players. I tried to pick people that would mesh well together, and so far it has been pretty good. Hasn't been too many arguments, which has been good. I'm glad. Okay, we have to crack this now though. One sec. I don't know if this connected. Yeah. Overall, I think it's been a pretty good selection of people. Definitely the best we've seen out of any team, I think. I think the Chinese team was good, but not all of them were really experienced. I think there was just Mug Hunter, who's the main guy. And Meow. If you don't know him, is pretty good. He's going to show me an antimatter setup tomorrow, where it can reduce like a 1/20th of the cost of antimatter. I don't know if it's a bug, but they used it in their run, so I think it's only fair. It involves pulling out the antimatter early, so it doesn't have a passive drain or something. Something along those lines. I don't know if anyone's familiar with antimatter in the chat, but it's going to be quite interesting. I haven't done antimatter myself, like set it up. Oh shit. I think it'd be kind of fun to try it. Yeah, I'm gonna try set it up if I have the time. Hopefully, hopefully we get to antimatter like this weekend or something. That would be good. And then we can get that running. All right, let's try crack this naphtha. Oh, we do have to crack this first. Okay, let's get the sulfuric naphtha connected to this. Let's get some cables. Yeah, don't worry, Australian ping. Australian ping. It's not that bad. Inverter card would be easier if you don't. Ah, yeah, that's true. Cyclotrons.
PX.
Cyclotrons are Soys. He didn't finish them, I think. If you were talking about them.
I never noticed any issue with those, so I never touched those.
Oh, they're not on. They're just not set up. Oh, I don't know what PXX responded to.
But no, I do see masks being used in some craftings.
Masks?
Yeah, they're used, but not for everything. Probably.
I could look into it if you want, but I don't know how much of a... Like, my last time... I'm not a fan of cyclotrons. Only for the blue wafers. Blue wafers do a huge difference. Everything else, it's cool, but it's not like...
You're cool. Why isn't this working? Why is this working? Sulfuric naphtha, hydrogen. Am I crazy? Oh, it's because it's freaking colored? No.
This reminded me from yesterday's mixer recipes, which were done in quad UV mixer instead of a huge array of UIVs. Just because someone built a setup but never connected anything to it. Like, it had everything but patterns.
Okay, guys, why doesn't that work? Why doesn't that? I think that circuit controller should work. Whatever. Okay, well, that worked. Doesn't take that. Maybe we didn't need an MCR for this, whatever. I realize we probably don't want everything to fill up. It's probably going to fill up pretty quick. Okay, we're good. We'll filter these after. I don't think they'll fill up straight away. So we have that. Let's crack it. Incomplete structure. What is incomplete? What is incomplete about this guy? Oh, we're missing something here. No. Needs UV glass for laser. Hey, wait, I just copied this one though. This is neutronium. This neutronium glass is fine. I just copied the other one. Legitimately just copied this one. Okay, let's just hologram it. Fuck it. What circuit tier is this? What coil it is? It is glass channel 7. Class 7. And what coil tier is this? It's 5, okay. I think we're missing something. Okay, yeah, we're missing something. I don't know what we were missing, but... Okay, there we go. We're making propane now. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Hopefully not everything fills... Okay, everything's... everything's filled up. I mean, that's what we like to see, I guess. Let's craft 4 more, and hopefully that's enough. Then I think we can just whack out of these. Oh, it doesn't work. I thought that was in the game. I guess we should petition them. Workbench. Are they working on Godforge? This is gonna be painful to petition. Can I be asked? Okay, you think there are devs in the Chinese team? I mean, I think Meow... Is Meow a dev? Meow might be. I know there's 1 or 2. What's the focus been in terms of automation this run? Everything on passive or on demand? Everything's on demand. We have very few passive things. This is gonna be passive. Yeah, just because we need propane. I do need some more quantum cells. I think we're just crafting Dysons. Oh, another... This is UAV capacitor. I know. And another Mark IV compact. Yeah, we're going to be waiting a while, guys. We're crafting so many things. That's right. Our infra's getting better. Wildcard does work in your game? Huh? Are you in a daily? We're in 2.8.4, so old version. Are you winning the speedrun? Yeah, we are. We're winning it by quite some, quite a long reach. 2.8, what? Huh? What wire cut are you using? Are you using electric one? Normal minus steel ones. Oh, sorry, is that the evolution thing? That's kind of cool. Spying at Soy's things. What does Soy keep in his backpack? Who's laughing now? Who's laughing now? Yeah, I don't know why it's not working. I guess we have to manually do them all. I really don't want to, but... Can't I just get all the outputs? Only works on item cells? What the fuck? That's so cooked, dude. Look how many outputs I have to filter. I mean, I probably don't have to store them all, but there's hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide. I mean, I could probably void this one. Whatever. Hey, is there a quicker way to do this? Does anyone know? I'm always looking for new strats. Naphtha. I mean, some of these I don't think we're ever going to run out of. Come on, guys. Surely someone knows. Surely someone knows. Wrench on the left. Oh, thank you. I love you. I love you, Sharky. Again, carrying over all the tips. I didn't even know that was a thing. I didn't even know that was a thing. I didn't even know that was a thing. So what would a split clock for this speedrun be like? I mean, I can link you the spreadsheet for our progression time. I'll do it after I filter these souls. I mean, we're kind of just chilling now. I mean, I'm chilling. I don't know about Tom. I'm just setting up setups because we're just crafting things, so. I think it's more worth it just to have fun. Quantum cell. Okay, we're still waiting that. I'll get the spreadsheet up and I'll show you guys. Okay. Yeah, here's our run tracker. We put all the important milestones. We haven't put everything in there because Soy hasn't been on. I think Soy's the only one with access, but you don't think that works on all the fluids? Fuck, really? No, it doesn't work on any of the fluids. Bro. That's so ass. Why? Why doesn't it work on fluids? Why doesn't it work on fluids? I'm gonna someone fear that. I want to, but I'm just lazy. We have the eternal coil DTPFs already, so we're good in that regards. We are in UMV currently. Tom in the trenches, yeah. Tom's just scaling fusions at the moment, so I'm just preparing some stuff for the next for Mark 5 fusion. Apparently we're low on protein, so I'm setting up the setup to help with that. I think PXX is setting up QFT or something. I'm not exactly sure what it's doing. I might TP after this. We're basically almost finished this. We're just waiting on some more cells. Sulfuric gas. Sulfuric gas. I don't like I love filtering cells. It's my favorite thing to do. Benzene, perfect. I mean, benzene's useful. Sulfuric heavy fuel. Really, I should just be fighting this shit. Five milestones left. Yeah, we're getting close. But these are the longest milestones, so I don't know how long EOH is going to take. Propene. What's benzene used for? We're using it for... What are we using it for? I think we're using it for phthalic or something. We don't even need it for phthalic. We're using 1,2-dimethylbenzene. Using this one. I think we're combining this for more. For benzene and methane. Pretty sure that's what we're doing. Because we're using we've used so much phthalic acid. Like you don't understand because all our neutronium is coming from bees. Sulfuric. Light fuel. Because bees are actually good when you have a ton of power, the neutronium ones. A lot of people think they're kind of trash, but because of the perfect OCs, it's actually pretty insane. I'll show you the MCR we have. I think it's this one. I think it's probably been turned off. Oh yeah, probably out of combs, I guess. We're using bedrockium combs, but we had neutronium going in here for the whole run, and we're doing like 8,000 liters per second, which is kind of nuts for like UHV, UEV. Yo, Winnie, how are we going? Yeah, it's 12 a.m. 12 a.m. What would happen if you didn't partition the cells? I thought only those. Because if one of these cells go empty, there'll be a chance for another fluid to fill that cell. As you can see, I've already got not enough fluid output space. What do we? What just happened? What happened here? What even happened? Are we not chunk loaded? Oh, that's why. Always chunk your AU2 network, guys. Why isn't this loading? Not of the fluid output. What is full? We don't have a sulfuric naphtha, so fuck it. Let's just. This is. Oh, we need sulfuric naphtha though. Wait. Oh, we need sulfuric naphtha. Okay, we need to get a cell. We need a filter if it's sulfuric naphtha. And the quantum cell craft. Oh yeah, we got them. Cool. Awesome. Don't worry, guys. Okay, this should be back on. Awesome. I was debugging 3 hours on your network. Why some of your machine powers failed was one chunk. Yeah, you experience that a lot. I don't know what other things we don't have, but we'll find out. Is this not running? It is running. 3, 4, 5, 6. Did we just process it too fast? I'm guessing so. Not enough fluid output space. Oh, okay. This is also fucked up. I don't know why I did that. Oh yeah, it just wasn't claimed. Okay, I see. Not really steam correct naphtha. Okay, let's add that to our petition. Oh, we're finding out what's what we don't have cells for. Cool. This should be online and we'll see what we have. No cache, no cache, no cache. No cache, no cache, no cache. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, I think we're good. Maybe methane? No, we're good. You'd like to see what the strat for EOH is on the stream? We're going to be spamming Eye of Harmonies. That's kind of the plan. Every time we get a new upgrade, we're just going to spam another one. Hopefully our infra will be good enough. How much propane do we have? I'm actually kind of curious. But yeah, that's our current plan. I might do a bit of math on the progression. We're planning for 4-day progression. Oh, what the fuck just happened here? That's we need the fluid. We need the fluid terminal. That's that's not going to be any use. If you all started a new run, how much faster would you get here? Probably not. I don't know. I don't know if everyone would be down for a new run already. But yeah. Where's propane? Yeah, okay. We have propane now. Stuff is going to fill up, but we'll deal with it later. It's going to take quite some... It's going to take some time. That's fine. 1 day tops now. I mean, we could definitely do it faster. I mean, if I didn't have work, and like if the others didn't have work, we could we could definitely do this a lot faster. Okay, what is Tom doing? Hello, Tom.
I forgot to connect the output of the MK5.
Oh my goodness. That's okay. I don't mind. I'll forgive you. We have propane now, so I solved everything for Mark 5. It took a while, I don't know.
We have what?
I set up Petrochem, so we have propane. We're not
good.
We're not missing it anymore. So we can craft as many Mark 5s as we want. This is our second one.
Yeah, I'm still working on it.
What's the UAV cap for? We get more wireless. Let's go.
Yeah, I was planning on keeping wireless. Right now, oh, that's horrible. We are not sending energy into the wireless battery for the plasma mixer.
Oh, yeah.
I'm manually sending it every now and then.
Yeah.
When I know that we will be fine. I don't trust.
Nah, we definitely need that bat. Yeah, we definitely need that UAV bat. Yeah.
Yeah.
100%.
I want more capacity there. I'm going to do a second one. I want one in the main.
Yeah, we'll have the Dyson power, so it'll be good. Yeah,
I want two of those. One in the.
Good. Yeah.
No, these Dysons can use the old one. Then one good in the main base, and then I have DTPFs on a second good one.
Yeah. Should be good. Okay, I'm gonna craft those lasers, I guess, and I'll work on these optical cows or whatever, optical DAOs. Okay, it looks like Tom's doing good. I'm gonna just mute myself normally. I don't have a keybind for it. I should probably do that. Whatever. I'll just do it manually. I only have a keybind to mute myself from the whole call. Okay, what were we up to in here? So I think we just made a setup. Yeah, we just finished the setup for... This is our tileable design for these. And then we just need to get one more design for our mainframes. So our mainframes take up... Oh my geez, okay. They take up 8, 12, 13 long. It's kind of long. Okay, well, let me rechat. Make trash low priority. Oh yeah, I could have. That's fine. It's fine. Yeah, we could have invert carded whatever we needed. Should we do that? Yeah, let's do that. I guess it doesn't matter if we run out of that fuel. Okay, so the things we kind of want is steam cracked naphtha. Do we have... Yeah. So we want naphtha, and we want...
Okay, once we get like 10 MK5s small, we can probably do a few QFTs, since Fermium and Neptunium are faster on the small 5, and that won't slow down the Infinity production.
Yeah, that sounds good. What QFTs should we prioritize?
Actually, if you want, you can already start doing QFTs one at a time. One at a time.
I think universal.
Only use the MK5s to make Neptunium and Fermium. MK5 are faster, and also you don't stop the DPFs.
That sounds good. I mean, do we need a focus? I don't even know if we have to focus anything at the moment. I guess there'll be some things we want. Okay. We can do tier 3 QFTs right now, can't we?
Keep in mind that tier 3 QFT requires enabling a black hole for protohalcynide superdense.
Oh yeah. Do we have
If you need just a little bit, you can manually do it.
Oh, let Vortex do that. I don't want to do that. I don't know how to manually. I think you just put the seed in and then you take it out and you put random shit in. It's something like that. I just automated it. Would it be faster to put off EH spam to pre-build the info to feed them? I don't know. EOH is a huge question mark, but we are going to be there early enough to be all right. We're just going to focus on these. I think PXX and Vortex can do... I'm going to ping PXX and say Tom gave the okay on the QFT. Shit, I was going to do it in the main Discord. Whoops. That's... Okay, I pinged him. Hopefully he works in it. Oh, Vortex is back. Okay, cool. Let's get these lasers going. I think the lasers should have crafted. So we got the... We want the UEV 262. They're not. Let's get 10 of them. Hopefully they can go through. Please. 256. We only got 8 of them. Let's do 64 of these.
Also, increase the extraction of Infinity Catalyst if you can later.
Infinity Catalyst? Like from SE?
Dust. Yeah. Like
Increase
right now I'm
more?
using the good recipe, but it's slow.
A good recipe on what?
The DPF. The one that makes 64 ingots of Infinity from one catalyst, but it's too slow. Like I would like to spam a little bit of the other one if we could. If we can.
So just mine more?
Yeah, if we can.
I'll
It could be
check
an
what we
idea.
have, yeah. Okay. Let's check our SEs. I really don't want to set up more QCs. I think we have enough miners. How many modules Mark 2 do we have? CPM, plutonium. Wait, this is... We need tungsten. This should probably be on, right? This is something this is one of them we can probably... What was this mining at? It was on 5. Okay, someone set it back. What is this mining? It's for coal, lead, adamantium. We have a spare miner here. Okay, what's the optimal inf cat distance? We should probably have a minus somewhere. What are these doing? I think this is optimal. I might pull out the spreadsheet. Unless someone knows off the top of their head. Or actually, I did paste an image. for myself somewhere, which has all of the best configs for what we need. Important links. Okay. Infinity Catalyst is best at a UMV. So okay. Can we make a UEV drone? Is that Mark 9? Okay, Mark 9 is UAV. I feel like I should make a Mark 11 because that increases the chance. That increases the chance by a lot. Okay, I'll work on that. Because we can get our Infinity Catalyst chance up to 27% from the current 17% we have. For UMV drones. How much are UMV drones? We need these ones. How much are they? They're pretty expensive, but it might be this one actually. They're very expensive. Honestly, I guess it's not too bad. Tom is boss currently, yeah, for late game.
I think we should level maintain titanium, because almost every crafts waits for it.
Okay, you can do it.
Because it goes on almost every single energy hedge above UHV and a lot of more stuff.
Oh, hang on. Let me mention. Are we doing the dust conversion recipe now? Because we're just mining it from deep dark.
Yeah,
Are we still?
that's what I'm saying. No. We get it from deep dark, but we spend a lot of time smelting it.
Yeah, just passive. It's passive. It's fine.
It's 25 ingots per second. It's not a lot.
Yeah, but if you passive it, at least it doesn't stack our EBFs.
Yeah, we'll always use it.
If you use EBFs, have low priority on it. Otherwise, it will clog everything.
Maybe we should. I know. It's spent in large quantities, so I don't think we can really passive it. It should be on demand. And it's already low priority, so no problems there.
Like, we can have both things. We can have like 2 EBFs, do it passively, and also have the low priority on demand if needed.
I don't know. I don't really agree with the level maintain, but I muted myself, guys. Don't worry.
I just hope we'll get Godforge soon, so we don't have to worry about EBF spamming. And just do 1 bajillion ingots per second, not per tick. When the only limiting factor would be just xenon pumps, or whatever noble gas we use.
If we don't waste good gases on cheap ingots, it should be fine.
What's progress on DTPFs? We still have only one? Yeah.
We can craft the second one, but we don't have infinity. That's why I'm saying about Infinity Catalyst. Infinity, we are low. Fusion reactors are almost fine, I think.
And we have
need more fusion, but
UMV drones bring the percentage chance.
Okay, we are really
at the 27%.
Yeah. We are really low on Infinity Catalyst. We have only 300,000 left. It was 12 millions earlier today.
It goes down if I use the quick recipe. Otherwise, I can throw more energy at the DPS, but... Wait, all of those fusion reactors are not...
Okay, whatever. They can do that thing. I think I crafted too many, whatever. I really hope this gets crafted soon. Whatever, okay. Let's copy this across like we were doing before. And we'll get the next one going. So Control C. Shit. Actually, we'll copy this whole config. Not using the T thing, it's fine. It's fine. These are like the cheap lasers. It's not like the freaking expensive ones. I'm gonna be using all of them. Okay, let's chuck. Let's do that. We're gonna have to extend it a little bit. Yeah, I don't like how these are facing this side. I think this side is fine because this is the optimal. It's just optimal. We're gonna have to exchange all these drone downlink modules because they become really laggy late game. And we need to extend this a couple more. All right, opticals. So 13, we're at 8, 11. Actually, it's not too bad. And we'll get this output bus. And we'll just paint it. Like, okay, we're gonna need 2 wireless per, 3 wireless per connection. So we're gonna need one here and here. And let's get the spray can, and we're just gonna spray can them different colors, like we were doing before. Cool. That should be good. And then what we'll have is we're gonna have the wireless connector again. We're gonna double check how many channels this has taken. I think it's less than 32, so we're good. Yeah, definitely. Let's get the dense cable. It's gonna go like this. Okay, it doesn't let me. Can we do it here? Yeah, let's do it now. We'll fill these up. We'll go titanium box. I really feel like we should be passiving the titanium, but I guess we are kind of at Godforge soon. I kind of forgot that's a craft. I guess. Is that on this tracker? That should be on the tracker, right? I guess that is kind of a major milestone. I feel like I've missed something. Let's just confirm. So titanium box, 1 circuit. This, what's it called? Optical SMD. Optical transistor. Optical SMD again. Hot resistor. Yellow one. I feel like I was one short. No, one too many. Come on, dude. Lag. I think that's probably it. I think I probably dipped in. We'll get these filtered. And then I'll see if there's anyone else streaming. Okay, maybe my internet's just cooked. Okay, I think that's a good time to end stream anyway. I need to go to bed. I might stream early tomorrow morning though. Okay, well, Ryan, sorry. I'm sorry to disappoint you. I think I'm about to end stream. My internet's kind of cooked and it's my bedtime. Tom is streaming. Tom is streaming if you want to continue watching the run. It's 12:30 a.m. for me right now. I'm gonna check. Yeah. Oh well. Oh well. I was gonna end stream after I finished that thing, but I don't think our lasers are gonna craft. I'm just probably gonna put them in craft or get someone else to put them in craft. Thank you guys for joining. It was a good stream. It was pretty productive. It's a pretty chill stream actually after work. Oh, maybe in the morning I'll be a bit more energized, and I think Soy will be on in the morning, so maybe we can do some more grinding there. I'll raid this person. I've never raided them before. And I'll link Tom's stream. Let me find his stream. If you guys want to continue watching, he's probably stressing about plasmas and stuff. Anyways, thank you guys for joining. And peace.